one of the greatest media houses in Ghana because you asked the right question.
93.3 music upon music, music upon music, music upon music. 93.3 and me yet. Good engineering, we have the correction and good pharmaceutical. Oboba ofore amamfo emam ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Irade boaye, boaye, mayenye shiro mira. Oh,
Ghana adisiye, oboba ofore amamfo emam ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Shira, Sadia, ye be Shira, Mira. Ye be Shira, ye be Shira. Yebe Shira Irade boaye boaye Mayenye Shira mira Irade boaye boaye Mayenye Shira. Another beautiful brand new Friday morning is here. And of course, today happens to be the 24th day of March 2023. That is still in the year of our Lord. It's a freaky, funky Friday. Yes, in Konya for God Encountering. Transmitting on the frequency modulation 93.3 Ahinkai. What do you say? Sadia Sudia, Shirumira. Young Connie Bocosia.
Ghana adisiye, oboba ofore amamfo emam ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Sadia Sudia, Shirumira. Irade boaye, boaye, mayenye shiro mira. Irade boaye, anopai mami misa wabɔ mpaye wade radiase na ode okra hye ne nsa de wono na wo hwe yensu wono na wo kra yen wono na wode ye kɔ no wode ye bai nti wo sori anopa me pa cha. That should be the first port of call. We are in 10. Na fe what do ho ahye ne nsa na wapie na wakai say wa hye yembo. Say he will come for us. He will come for us through all changing seasons of life. And in Tiaropoya was sorry or can a wianso or can ho, and numre or can ho, or the sumun so or can ho. And Nti ya na waton sa friend wate ase enu nti na yem papa ya osapon oni asomafo to nyum bi se na se yema ewurade kwan ema obenwen efie no yema Messiah beye efie no so twiasebo a onipa bia ne won mo betumi atutu dan no onipa bia ne won mo betumi ase no yare entumi nse no. What it means ne say enimguase entimi nse no se wo ma ewurade kwan ma ne ba bedi hine wo wabrabom se usi akonwa e wo wabrabom di manyankopon se ba bia me pesa wo tena nie se wo ma ne kwan e mo no ba be ye the chief coordinator e de ma wabrabo a ne a obonefo be hihye bia enya de e be yeye wo mo be hihye e be tonsuom wo mo agina tuo wo mo susie nyina emfon sanse ye wo awurade bi ye wo nyame bi na no na ohima Messi to nyom say ye wo Jesus a wote emu me say se wo be man kwan amara betena wo mu a wo be ye nhira me dofo shaba enu ntia no pai ma awurade kwan ye no amara me di hine wo abra boni mo ye ntun sam frɛ no ye nana se oborobori nyankopon anopa yewura yedasio amu yedasia na wo se fata yedasia na wunwumadie nyina daddy se wo se yede asedade ma odin kronkron no enu nti yebebo wo nsamrane yebebo wudin abo mrane sanse mrane sew wo ni kokurumutie isan hobopo na ato ena no na nkrofo bi agi achini achinigie ni mu no ye kokotie bi ne bi no nso kire se yesi otwiridua mpon nyankopon no wo ye anafra na kunyankopon ene yesi anafra na ku no so ene wo mo kire se wo ye onyankopon a abribia mu wo ye nyame enra no wo ye nyame ene o ye nyame o kire nso obekoso ye nyame. He was, he is, and he will continue to be. And he be saying, "Tiano ni ana friend ekuno msi you." Na say nyankopon kro no asan eye osantro fie o fa no awafa de uja no wajai musuo wo mo kire se wo ye opem san ni din akrobeto bi ma no kokuromoti a usan ho bopo enye yie ono ni dunsin a wo so abrefo e free tete bepem sabre yi ye nananamu abakọ ye busuan bakọ nyankopon da so ye nyame eni na wo se e free tete den wo ye nyame enen so ye nyame na o kino be ye nyame na daada nyina be ye nyame no wono na ye boye mu ase ye tena ase a anopa yewura ye da se o e free bresanti nie ya to aba to ye nti se electoral commission wo osoro ahemamu wo compile voters register assemben a nyankopon adi akonwa no afa de ye koto aba foforo ye nti bi da wo ye nyame wone prekese jamandu ofiti krutia na wo ho bo afie mu wo ene ominti mirim dade akọ dade a yamma wo kachire osrebo sekyerema wo we dade mu no da amansan ne bransam edukata wiri nyankopon aropa yi yebon samrane mawdin so kire wiase sanse eye wo na wakora yen enyefe yewura afi mu bosumi ne ne etoso miensa ene dai eye bosumi etoso miensa ne de etoso aduonu enan hwan na obeye wei eye wo awurade a ye ne abusua santen o man Ghana ne ye kuromfo ye ne abusua ye ne adwumayefo eni mu mpanimfo ye nyina ye se da ase
Ghana adisie oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM
Asidini ema wabamumu ebesi uye Repato yesinkonya said you only know Martin, your most authoritative social, political and current affairs talk show. And of course, no doubt about it, Easting's official biggest syndicated breakfast conversation. Yeah, the asida de bema wa utie ni asiri nyampase ne. onti n'anim nkyerɛ onka ho sima no aduonum pepepe ɛna abo apa no pa nonsia ɛho mebacha wunya nsɔre na wotwetwe mu okete no so a wo baabi ɛkɔ a na wasɔre wai miawani emu ɔden de wada ne de ho aba nanso kane mampani onya ne baabi kro ɔse ano mantu a wugina hɔ mepacha otu na kopɛ biribi awurade ka wo ho onwunu nyo no me sɛ wo ubedi adanse nti sɔre bɔ ho so Au Professor Mark Abraham Katra wa mama me Au Radi azie Au Emmanuel Doche we too much. Thank you so much for the support and everything. We appreciate it. Why? If you more bread, send a bit of corner, then we need to make my fan to us. Not fake when we know. Oh, yeah, Anthony, and my Osemin kancho said I no pay adia insuo no apue mantem me yahudu bi e be petepete kakra anope ya na fei me yahudu bi no nso insuo ni be munemu na e free prem to bread donko eho ekọ no awia ne be yi ti na ebebo nti ya no ahye ne nso afi ye kwa anwumra osi insuo no besan atwene ti ebe ye twen saa emia yahudu obi ne de be munemu na emia yahudu obi nso insuo ne beto na emom eto no na ayeremo no nso ne namu kakra beti grrr na ne namu nkitenkete saa ase enkonkon no enkonkon beti aha enti saa ne wanu so be ye ya no ahye ne nso de ama me bɔ ne tofa de ama wo a anopa yi ekusi anwumre ene da mu ni nyina no ewie mbobre ensuo ewo wie mu ensuo nani wo fam ti ya no ahye ne nso awia ne bɛbɔ ɛwɔ me yahudu obie ɛbɛkɔtwe ensuo di aba asɛm na wie no no ewie mbobre nsɛm sɛ ne ebisi akɔ da mu ni nyina da pa de ahunufo a wɔn no hwɛ ewie mbobre nsɛm so and any of my sons, I mean, I answer your dim woman, yet Yama. Maybe I told you, I just saw a boo back of 40 amount for it's in Yanti, ye. Never cause was a channel. Sorry, I say, why didn't you budget? A 0594 841 044 0594 841 044
Ghana adisi oboba ofore amamfo emamate ene ba ahinkai 93.3 FM Oma wobo nini tna biapo na dia won oba wo mananije Ebeye otininye emawabamu Ebesuye otininye amarawo Ebeye otininye yakudura Oswana unamyo otininye Ebeye otininye amawabamu Ebesuye otininye amarawo
Ebeye otininye Koswa
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo emamo ate ene ba ahinkai 93.3 FM
Oh
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo emamo ate ene ba ahinkai 93.3 FM
Katsire nyame Katsire Yesu no be ya ma o Katsire nyame Katsire Yesu no be ya ma o a Christopher bebre wo tumi ana tumi ne hye ne nsem ene wo de nam na konkonsa di konkonsa saa me de obi o di konkonsa de me sheda ne nye fine saa otrofo konkonsa ni eya na me sheda ne mo nye fine saa nti se wuta tie mi a konkonsa fo anya me nan fofo e de akura se me ni konkonsa fo enya atwomfo nso me ne mo nye fine enti we konkonsa ni anya madamfo ontumi nso nya madamfo da sisan usuban o ja wasem Uwo tumi Jasa wo de wa ware ensem de ne nam nkrofo so no uwo tumi abetimi aka kire ade se rade bra ware mu besiesie no uwo tumi sorry ase uwo tumi any tidru ba bia mo my exercise powers na ye wo no you carry something Jasa wo free sofo e hona ukobi sofo si na kodi wankasa betimi agina na no na Ezekiel obu ne ho abomfia wa bra oni Nyankopon hia oni Nyankopon di nkomo we so oluman oluman wa na abo me we toato asa Nyankopon se yate ntoato ne do so dodo to de bia ne nipa ye toato dodo kan wanu tum se wo gidi se me meti o ka bibi chem metimi aya enimi ni nkomo ka bibi kira me kasagu nompe ni so ene oni ofiri ase na o kan nsem a na we ya firi ha no ya besi abegyema bekeka sisi so kama eno ne yebuku mu de o bible mu de ya atwura to ho ne amenu mienu ya betie ye mfa ye ne anhu Nyankopon no se ka kire menu mienu se odaso ye nyame a wonsesa ye eni ti wo de se ye se yebuku mu de akura ne atwura to ho ene atie se Ezekiel ehun tumi a wowo ehya ase de kan nsem a anopa me pese wonso so o realize tumi a wowo na wo hya ase kan nsem se wo hia onipa ba akopa bi e wo abrabom so ma bi ye de ko no ye de kwa de aba besi asem e hya ase na no Jordan say we need just one person sent from God wo hia onipa ba akobia eye Nyankopon no ngasa na asoma no saa onipa no obeba wo tumi biewa no ne ka kire Awurade entori mumu Kristofo be bi atori mumu ena yede ye were ene ye gidie akɔhye enwosram yede ye were ne ye gidie akɔkɔhye hankimu yede ye were ne ye gidie akɔkɔhye enema onipa dasani ena de ne nsa ye air condition ye tua ho light yo mo nso I don't see pay. Sena medical can't tell no. Who here only pa ba kope. Just one person. And Bible me atia say Awurade Nyankopon esoma John the Baptist. Okay, kind the book of John. Chapter 1 verse 6-7 ekono. Osi Nyankopon soma John the Baptist. E ma ne bebo kwan sa onipa ba ko a man sent from God no. Obema Yesu Kristo na dwuma a obeye wasase so no eye mre anopa yi me san kai obiom se na awotwe we nyina na ye de to pro so ne onkonkron de baaye a ya firi ase aka ho asema aka bepem sabri no ene se ye hia onipa ba akopɛ uhia onipa ba akopɛ bi obedi hu adanse o uhia onipa ba akopɛ bi a obelenke o madam enya sometimes enya mpaebɔ no a wobɔ bebre no o uhia onipa ba akopɛ ena no nkrofo kokohia ye bɔ mpaye we di heba nkrofo cartons born in sem pra man bi si free ni kamu wono so ba ye wa ba bɔ mpaye ni bi on de odin nsagu nachi no okotire no abatire ene mpaebɔ no yi ne nan 1 wo bɔ ne mpaye bɔkɔ maami so de gbe born in sem budi mu gengen kotire betire enti eye na papa ne frɛ no bi sa ne madam den na wo bɔ ho mpaye me ye sorry say me bisa wo de no si oh me pese me share business yase na me pesika me pese Onyankopon ebie kwan ma me na me nya sika de share business ase eno bisa say business ben eno kan business ne kire nti wo be hia sen eno so me hia 500 cedis pe ento so 500 cedis nti wo bo nsem pra bebre je bra be ka me ho ne yam pa bɛka me ho na bɔ mpa ni bi ma me he maame ne mpa ba no ɔbɔ ɔkotire betire edede a woyɛ esu a wosu nyina wodim sika no ɔpɛ 500 cedis pɛ 500 cedis na no pɛ yi obi de send ne girlfriend enya ne yiri mpo ne mpena ne side chick or send ne sa 500 cedis wo dwetire no or send na ma ne de ato credit tie or send wo dwetire de ama obi ama na to credit ena no ye wura yi offer ne saying boutique bi me wura boutique ho no mo me mama ni so hwa esoro ho belt aye bo we insisi no belt aye nyina aye koto bi obo no me mama tiri so am hweye na me salary na bo ho no bet salary yo me salary a me ye adwuma bosom ye no na ye de mama me mama ti so no salary ne bo bet ho bet obi salary ebo offer ni saying mobile phone housing no ay de hye ho no obi salary a wo ya adwuma bosomi tu do ebo ho madam enya wadwuma a wo ye de me ka kosie nyina ne say meti ha meye yi enya de mbetena ha mo ade bia bosomi na odi anka de atum bosomi na obi anya enya no be mama ye yi o me ka kire wo peyin me hi onipa ba ko pe someone or you closer to the corridors of influence obetumi aka se abrantie yi wo ye good momoa no he ababa we ye momoa no sister yi wo ye momoa no me ka kire wo peyin se eye wadwen se wo eye wo effort ene ebe mo ye yi a you are lying to yourself uhia se nyankopon be suma wo bi afiri wo soro na wo be di wo ho adanse ye de akire obi adwuma na wunya nyaaye no unya obi a mane ndi wo ho adanse ye nkire obi se obi di obi ho adanse akire obi a obi betumi aba beboa obi ama obi nso aye obi anopai ye di nyankopon asem ne be wie na afi ya cross carpet according to the word of sports no me ka akire obi mu ne se bibi die na wugina wo nanso bompae se wurade suma obi emane mra meboa mabrabo suma obi emfa ho nto wadwuma so bra se wo je 10,000 Ghana cedis kura enye no de be mo ye yie empanimfo yi a yetuo mka tele still a wo se wo musika nso mo di kira wo clearly se enye no na e ba be mo ye yie uhia se nyankopon ebe connected uhia sa supernatural connection no sa divine connection no uhia sa divine connection na ma ubetimi no boss wa ye adwuma enkrofo bebo wabaso yakwe wo yadio ababa wo yadio o boss kura nhunu yade no enkrofo ka ho asem no uhia sa connection supernatural one in the Bible say Erade soma John the Baptist onyankopon soma John the Baptist ma John the Baptist ebe ma kwan ni mu ye mre uhia se onyankopon be ma obi abo abrabo ni mu a o ma wo mre or this simple protocol be de brew amwa breki ene emfa ne mfa ha eye wura ha esen ha uhia obi a obeba be yi saa de ni nyina de afiri ho na simple eya ware na wo pa eya juma na wo pa ne awo ye bia no se ebe ye mra you need someone sent from God no amana baba be ye mra ma Yesu ba ye obreye but wa amre bebre urim die ntia na John the Baptist edikan aba ama ba bia ye den no wa baba be ma ho aye mre edi nti Yesu ba ye no afem se oh okay krachi na John na ka ne ho asem no krachi ni nie afi wa mebre ama me introduce no ho o brese obe introduce ho a kire boss bi adwuma bi ababa wa bi bra bi amana jewa tum nanso so sewurade suma obi free esuru musoro eba obeba bi di ho adanse ama adwuma no aye mre e de amaw anopa yi wo bompa ya no abompa ya za se awurade ehia onipa ba akopɛ eto de bia na nya nipa bebre no onipa ba akopɛ just one person sent from God na omra meye intermediary emfa maw uhia one person pe en eyi players ya na mko bobo abrochire no eye nipa ba akopɛ bio e na ode no si wo so ye agent ɛna ɔhyɛ aseɛ na wɔdi ne ho nkɔmmɔ me wɔ aberante bi wɔ ha player bi wɔ ha ɔyɛ good pa na ɔnam ha na tie saafoɔ no ɛyɛ a ɔbrɛ a wɔse yɛ brɛ no wɔn ɛbrɛ saa ɔbrɛ no nyinaa ma yɛn na yɛn aba ne abɛ enjoy anɔpɛ wohia onipa no bi wate wohia saa onipa no wate ɛno na mebɔ mpaeɛ asrɛ Awurade sɛ ɔmfa ndom ɔmboa wo na nya saa nipa no bi nea ɔba bɛka wo ho asɛmpa nea wobɛdi wo ho adanse pa nea ɔbɛma adwuma no ayɛ mmara ma wo nea ɔba bɛ compliment w'abrabɔ ama w'abrabɔ no adi mu saa onipa no ɛna wohia no na wɔtwe nyinaa ne yɛde to pon so a ne yɛdwendwen ho no ɛnɛ yɛde ba wieyɛ na ne yɛsrɛ Awurade ne sɛ emu tumi ɔmfa ndom yɛn emu ahoɔden ɔmfa ma yɛn na yɛgyina yɛn nan so a yɛntumi nhunu ho hia sɛ yɛbɛbɔ mpaeɛ asrɛ Awurade sɛ ma onipa baako pɛ bi emfiri soro emra mabrabom emeboa me na trust me eba ne saa da bia nya wodo nsa ka bia ebeye mremremre osofo enkrofo na obom pae ma mu bebrebe no baako pɛ ne bɛboa wo na me sofo bom pae ma obi na bro chire kwaye dendenden de ama no ye bobom pae ye honam ne honhum ne nioma ebre so ye wo so wokɔ ye sanso ne nsasa kola ketwa no e de ne ko airport wo de ne ko fa mu a de ne wura mu a departure pa e ne wokɔ ye okokodura bro chire ho wie ye no afi ayampia ne wo to de ba fom ha uhi oni pa ba ko pe osofo wa bompa ya mankrofo bebre he ufiri wo kuma mu ye niema horo uhia oni pa ba ko pe bi Awurade de ne beba amo abompa ya ma no he na omo ya na omo boa mo no kra no eye omo a onse da enye omo ho akɔnkyere bebreu se nkrofo adi kan ba be hunu nsuo no eni ti se wadwene ada ho o so o me se obi abakra mi nkumi ho biem saa onipa na wunku so wunku ho ma no ono na ebeku ne ho ama no onim die ntia onyankopɔn na asoma no omo ya na Awurade soma omo se omo mra meboa ya brabo no ye nhyɛ da nye bibi kyenkyene bi amfa ma wo mo se ana me sa me kra mi hia no kra ma nhyɛ da anya hwe ama no ai o hia wo hwe Awurade na soma no you need that person madam who pay loan won e dia ye business who hia so obi be kodi why no pay omo fam no betua obetua am pam de be ma wo our business na be gi boom anything na me catch yourself fa won to salary so na salary na Ghana salary ensi ahe betua ye tua jiwe e be ba wo nsem no enko ba bia na me se mi wura boutique me salary a me je ne boso me gbo obi bet yo kobo ho ni sisi o de kobo ni sisi asa me na wo kan sa no se salary hwe my fancy ya me ensre Awurade no hunu ye mobo kakra ehire so kire so sedan Kristo Yesu enwu ye ni mu aseda ego kam ye tie ye gagai ye wura supermarket ye kokko hwe nkwala aduane omudie no ho my tia ne side gagai nyina ne salary bon nkwala aduane ho mo ne salary o nkwala aduane omudie no ne salary ne bon mo ne ho ayi ho wura mo ni ne bwa kwala na aduane ne ho nkwala aduane ya omudie sere lak ne me sa nioma no o ye go kan ye gagai hwe udi wintia yanko fast post ne fama o obu wi aye besana ba na fe ye de aka nyina de abeto aso de ama o teje na 7 na me kan ye no boy ana review ho
Abozeke Sports Jagum.
This is the moment we're waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time!
Okay, it's Joshua J. Clue. Wa join here wa ha. Na say salary asem na kan de ehu. Oso tumi wura supermarket bi. Na wo ani age age say wo ye adwuma for 31 days no. O salary wo be kwa akohwe no. Na ebo food flask. Ni e de aduane gum. Before mupo moko de.
Abo nyame adumo. Na wo so
ejinem kakra sa
na wo so de
anope ye ka ayi nkrofo akatua ho nsɛmsɛm omo ye gagai no ba ko asende sɛ ne salary ono no gi wadwuma mu no
yeah
ɔkɔ ɔno so kɔ supermarket ɔma ne ti so no na nkɔda food flask
ebon
ne salary ono no yɛ adwuma tutu bosome ne yɛ de ama no ɛbɔ ho aje so ofa food flask na
otam coffee
pescana sa wo bobo keke ewo
eze o mami enza ero no na sa yo yeduma
papa bi ko edwem ko sunye okusunye unse first no so okọ a ode te se 500 cedis hye ne ho a omma no obenya emo bag kese no ne ose ne maye 4 se 3 into no to family odi family dwa na odi akwa kugu ho also recently okoya 500 cities ne kura wodi agrokora wonya hwe nka ho enioma sesa afi o gina maame no ya otakoto niema no man no ho ohe maame di o se maame na aden odi aden sa anka enkofo amamu anka osusumu ye enti bia asisi ya no abrabonde nani a kire no uhia nyankopon so obesumu obi amana beboa okeke ye ka kosie nyina no obi a wadidie watare hye anka wo ha
wasanse bre na
ejikura wadidi ejikura weekend yi okọ uhia obi saa enya parasite for no
unya bi saa dia
unya bi saa na ko so bompaye ebeba jara ze na se mo de mo ohene mafo yi aye wo kokoo ni ayi je jam de mo ni nhyede ni house mo eje ni mu su a mo de se mo nka ho
na za je ni mo no so no ame onko ba bia
yes we je
obi etumi ye duane ede sip ka mo bra no o kana sam
kokoo
ne ma bitimi ye duane no de sika mu abra
bayre ni foyere ada jine dile ko yejuma
ka bena ebian ne fire
otimi diane bia se
na ji ojo ha kokoo tekes eno kwa ye wodia kakra no break ejuma no
ajiri e fia de oni problem ye ajiri
na kokoo afuru de ona kasa iri kukuru gra
tekes na oda
ye jo pade ye
no aye na de gra no ono de no nya wo
mia yenso started Ramadan ntino asema bibia akoyi
oh yes ena ayi for Roma for so ye Lent
so mo ye Lent
mo Lent mu
mo Lent na mo ye de
omo so de na conscience yeah omo ye Lent ntino ye Ramadan for nti ye so ye de
I can for so mo ye de
o say
I can for ye
no we individuals asem ne ye kan o
say kan so eku
Jaka first in
I can also come so.
Go for your fast.
But serious oh, ye shed up no aduane di sika mu this.
Oh yeah.
O de be mi bisa ono.
Me maybe I go say asem na.
Bayre na dia.
Ono na santa.
Bayre ne palava sauce.
Mama buru aye bi ache. When the first na o chiri anu.
And o kai no.
I know o de ba. Mama buru first na o na profit ya. Babu say akwa no pese. Akwa no pese o de
mutirim ya mode o. Ye ya mo no.
Akwa no pese o de bidu from ti. Mama im be dey kiri. First na o chiri ya. Say o ni chiri ya.
Na je say ya no aduane na
ni bi but obi am for bibia sam brevity muze o kasa
abro so ya de bayire ni paraba sauce
papa so da ben na
bayire ba you know na sin so
ne ya no ana ne ye be no
bayire fi na ebe no no so bu kam ne de aba didi na koye adwuma
o che de o da body
bayire boto bako
na o diga kaka
ani
ari okofa from planes ana say o to
mi fewura na ya na also no oton bayire ntia ya na wa socket mi kakra o ba ku mi ni bi ana so de ayi bet o mo nsu abayire mfi ka
na sa o deputy no hu yank wonka
no ne ya ma no
ye wo ahayare de o no mo ye baba mi so ko akire no wa kire mo so zia de o
ni mu aye den kakra
scanner body skaba
dia so abayire ni sa
ne de be su
o ma mi mu adwuma o na wo so ma me buru ara de ne ba
Musa me menye se me na jefo
okoto de ne boja
me first no aya bia enkwan bia na se now aye abenkwan no the beans kakra gumu ne kako mi pe kako ba no de kako kakra gumu ne se o pese beka no de yi kakra nso agum ayi wole wonse wole bi emu edu kakra kama and se ponko ze
Obi ponko
The ponko wele se. Furu ponko se de.
Abranti abi degu ni yen no de tie adwuma mu hanu.
Na na me no ponko ana de ade.
Ponko wele.
Na apra jere bia.
Ponko wele. Ponko ne nyina.
I see. The other was where enjoying no.
Na bis kakra wo no.
I did betina hanu asem tenten no.
Ene emire ba fi wo de emire na mse ja bia ma.
Etimi si was anabis na asem ma.
Okay. Asem.
Obo
Ba ebi ba ya che wo ho.
They say the biba ya che. Biba ya che. Say 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 asem biba no me 2 years. Onim say bia. Onim say mu ade ba story onim say enye de. Enye de za bia yo. Zero. Catch it say emunye de za. Enya ye bia za e. Be guso. Efefe ba.
Ewa ko na fe ya da gudie winsa wona ba me din de Joshua Kabna Janim wanya ate eye Yosef Ajiri enkanso da fe obrempon poko a Raymond ashete uratani Ben Maul mo boa na de nsam no enso ababejao ene anopedi kan ye mfasida ema eye soboti eti aba anopai so pa de bo gugu na bibia nso atimi akoye de ma ode a eno a eni soboti na se nyondro ewom 100% natural akakadro ewom sobola kasa ibika ho afi hwintia brobe pepre moko ena yam no moton ye de ma se soboti na se soboti ububa wa harawa na se o issue se wo ho a etimi prepra ho che na so timi di nchenche na bibia nso etimi ekoye edema afi o high blood pressure so a etimi eboa etu ase ntempa so edema ya yempe caffeine no soboti ni eye de mayen afi vegetarians nso no soboti eye edema yen emfa oni mfia wadi soboti botan bobi na bibia nso etimi akofan enso edi amam ni ye nya ya nyanso hira na reti bag ba kwa tum no atwen ma na di se wonum ya ode se kofi agi afa sugar kan ho se ni no ompe sugar bobo ne sa na bibia nso enkofa emfa ema ayemina enterprise ewo domi market Accra hona benya doso pom atu fre number yi na ne ending koma aka we chie nyina. Number is 055-111-9620 055-111-9620 and 024-087695. Watch him down. Number is 0244-878763 0244-878763. Alhaji Yankuli Enterprise ABL Ho Antajabo Provision Store and so our Odan Roman ABL Ho Afemerin Kuma and so our Babo Naya Provision Store the Brina Ebusu El Ho Nefe Sister Valley Provision Store and so our opposite Snappy about Odan Ubenya Binuato na Fine Cafe Manso Bar Sobotin Ebuso Benya Binuato na Bibianso Akoye Edi Amao.
Yes, 7 free Euro. So that's in from our Embra Kupima as a Euro qualifies no matches na Udona me Brina and a top femina Vieno say and a Koye Kazakhstan Etnafi was Kanabako Slovenia Eko Chomo Ebonumino Bosnia and Herzegovina Etnafi almost Academy and Sam Emma Iceland and to me Antekano Denmark Etnafi Epo Academy and Sam Finland Etekanubako Italy Etnafi Emma England Hurricane and African Rice Eko Chomo Yomwania Ebom Academy Noa at Italy for and so Etekanubako North Macedonia Etnafi Academy no Malta Etimubako Portugal and Ronaldo Ejina Naso Eboye Emma Portugal and so Ebuekano and 9 Liechtenstein and to me Antekano San Marino Etnafi Emma to me Anshebi Northern Ireland Ebom Academy no Slovenia Etnafi and to me Anshebi Emma Luxembourg and so and to me Anshebi we Matisa Odwa as the Andrew top from Dimusam no Ede Ejao
and games no twas na say na ebesi akọ ebo no nsia Bulgaria tenase one ay Montenegro at the game no in terms so afi age 45 games be na na eba so Australia ebetena fi na one Azerbaijan at the in terms so Czech Republic ebetena se one Poland na ebo afi France ale lebru omne ay Holland and so at the ebony Gibraltar etena fi na one Greece and so at the in terms so Moldova and Fola Iceland na ebo na fi Serbia and Lithuania and so the game at in terms so afi Sabra now so na Sweden and so the Belgium at the abani way games are eba so or the Euro qualifies ni ma yedimu krano ejao
Yemremu na fe yendi komo kakra enso enfamo de ayenda ni na fe enkonkopimo ewa brantian kanu sinakan edema basora boboko no bojan kekech ensama formo enso ebansa brantense sia de ono so edi ne boot no edi ahange enya de otokwaso asia kan biem ne football career no wode ni na enso abanawie ye abrante obeka ya wo hye ne bobo na se ewo eye basa boboku no mo wokobo eye AC Milan kakra ene na nemu ayase na obobi ena Stoke City ne Mets 05 muni na abrante no abobi abeka 2007 under 17 ye koye Spain for Ghana eye hwanwea embra na Ishmael Tenom ejina mu amobo run for us enom no na abrante ejina mu a obobi enso edema Spain under 17 no endra odaba tu dwase esia de on tokoso enso ensia kan bi ma medimu enkoma akra no ede eja
yeguso aka boja na sam no yenjina Barcelona honoma na abrante anjandi Sergio Busquets abrante captain edema Barcelona boboko no na wakasa osini future sende no na so betina Barca na so befi Barca no ebefi bebi alone o Messi enso ebeko oso ni Messi aplan sende omo last days of football mu no omo together na bebi anso etimi akoye enso edi amomo into say Messi eba Barca dia obetina Barca no ni Messi abo na mum say Messi eko Saudi Arabia anaso oko Inter Miami a ene no wakopi mu na for ni Messi enso etimi ababum into say ni future dia ebedi bebi Messi enso ebeko we Sergio Busquets.
Wey ene Sergio Busquets se emu sensema na ejina Messi asemna no na branch efe na Aguero eso de nsem kakra de atodwa o Messi adamfo padia na se Aguero ene chochomucho na Aguero nsem kakra de atodwa wo ni Messi akasa no hunu se Messi ba oba Barcelona de 50% bibia eda oyopo sa branch ende yire se dan a oba be si akan enso adama Barcelona boboko no wo se na branch na di nkoma akwachire na bibia echire pefe sa branch efe na Messi no dachi bia ye be sam so enwo jinamo esi akan enema Barca wey ensem kakra Aguero ede ajaye
Messi won sama na onim se enra abranten etimi abogo enso de ma Argentina mino for the first time amuchi World Cup no wey ebaye goal na abranten Leo Messi enso etimi abo 89 minutes ene nenu etimi ball free kick back to atenema free kick india na efe pa ye wey ama Messi na se 800 career goals abranten so etimi abo bibia enso ekoye de ma Lionel Messi
na kofogusu set record na branch afane Hurricane ukopemo ewo England na no ana captain amban no enso ebo na ndro ginamo eto atena adema England against Italy abo branch ye papa ama sa branch afane Rooney ne record na wa set ato no wabum se chen enso amaniama akoye diama no ukopemo Rooney na sa wato ntena makomako aduonu miesa 53 ana adema England national team no Andra Hurricane wa 54 aniama na ekoye enso adema branch afane Hurricane
Hurricane breaking record ne Cristiano Ronaldo enso etimi breaking record wey amana baye player na say wetimi abo more international games enso e na brabo mu pa enu abrant enso timi gina kono omne Liechtenstein ya dia Cristiano Ronaldo enso abo 2 goals di guma abo no mene ni goals no enso ekonanim na ohwe ne ni goals abrant abo e double na say be 120 goals na abrant abo no so baye player na say international games say boy game e national team no on e player abo ndodo pa 197 games also team abo ama Portugal wey Cristiano Ronaldo na say records on so aye ede atuho
yenda ni remo Manchester United abrant afar Marcus Rashford en sam kakari atudwa wose aka no contract bako aka 1 year pe e Manchester United so ye na se bibia e bana wiye na abrant no penfo gusu ni di nkomo so betumi extend contract no nenso ose ono de onya ko be extend contract no so Manchester United no ase ye ton enti ono twen so mo ton de a na fe wa hu de penfo be gu pon so na omo de gu pon so ya no abrant ya ye fa Marcus Rashford no wa extend the contract no e Manchester United
Bayern Munich amun penifo aje atumi se papa ndani Julian Nagelsmann ye coach adama Bayern no omo asakre na so no kase de penifo no entimi enya kudu enkanchire coach se coach ye ne eje adwuma ye na so ko Bayern Munich penifo on ma omunyina o ma aje atumi se papa no ye nsakre vise na adwuma obo no enseda enso ni sa na report ye second say Julian Nagelsmann kodia na former Chelsea head coach Thomas Tuchel ono kosum head coach enso edema boboku andande Bayern Munich yambra fie na yemfa fisam no enso ento aso asela kese en confirm aye Jubilee Hospital o maso asen me da gudie musam no efidie no ye de eba o yare ohododo na baby age ayaresa ye dia eno ene Jubilee Hospital ebia lab na pesa ye pharmacy edro on man o pesa obato a nyina no ye pharmacy edro on ma na so benya bi no ato na bibia so etimi akoye ede amantinental care postnatal care theater enso eho afi maternity enso ho yale bi ache usro o fere so benu nkomoda kire unia bepi me na fe kanso ni ti no omo embo sa kwan so wani na wo hwa dia unhu ebenwa unhu wachira unhu a mesraw se wanhwe ntu asentem a echina bi no ode aha kese pa na ebra fefere no pa bia no meno kasa na no pa yi ncheche bekoso edema diabetes ene hypertension for no na se ni mamu ye betimi mamu yarewa no so no atimi atu ayre afrimu so se wo fie na baby atodwan papa edia eno ne Jubilee Hospital ya canteen okwa eduana opa to benya bi ato na bibia nso akoye edema obore kita insurance nso dia yebeje na ahwe ye odambo abu road Amanta bridge ne so honom ena obehuye number 0244 575799 0244 575799 and 0241 784645 0241 784645.
Yes, afisem na se nhyase enfremfri Afcon qualifiers Sendrada matches outdoor na and top femina kopiema sei and se esi ekoye Madagascar etnafi amatumi ansebi Central African Republic ebom ekanemiensa amatumi anti Congo bako South Sudan ebom ekanemieno on my Congo Ghana ndra Babaya Sports Stadium no enema mu edin say edema Ghana nenso awie ne se Ghana kan bako ema Angola antumi anti ekano ndra Zambia ebo ekanemiensa ema Lesotho ekan bako Gabon etnafi kan bako Sudan antumi anti Algeria ebo ekanemieno Niger etimu bako a we matches outdoor se top fem ewo Afcon qualifiers ni mu a medimu ensem no ede ejao
ena games no so etwaso Guinea etnafi ni Ethiopia ede aboani afi Tunisia ene Libya na ebo Cameroon na etnafi ni Namibia enso ede Ewentamso Burkina Faso enso ni Togo na ebo afi Senegal ene Mozambique Mali ene Gambia ebo Equatorial Guinea betnase na ni Botswana enso ede Ewentamso afi Egypt enso ni Malawi na bebo South Africa ene Liberia enso de bebo ni afi Nigeria ene Guinea Bissau Ivory Coast ene Comoros Cape Verde enso betefoni Eswatini enso bebo na afi Uganda ene Tanzania ede Ewentamso DR Congo betnafi na ni Mauritania ede aboni wey games ene eba so the Afcon qualifiers ni ma yedi mu nsem no ejao
qualifiers no ejamo kwa ana boko piemu awo ana 23 amonso ebo binandro South Africa tnafi kan bako ama Congo enso bako ene Nyankopon ayadoma game kese etofem Algeria ene Ghana ana 23 enso ede bonia medimu nsem no ede ejao
afedo ni chema Ghana Premier League no match day 23 and 2 games eba so chene beto so na afi a ende ayedo ni chema Sunday na we bia so akoyi na say na games no enso esi etiene 2 games na Duena Stars ebetena fie na Najima Mbadu Park on Real Tamale United ena ebo no miensa ena sa big game na enso eba so afi a chimda ko the Crew Royals Theatre of Dreams Dawu Park no da ko the Crew Royals etena se on King Faisal na ebo ena sa game eba so 3 o'clock ena sa big game na enso eba so afi o china games mbe na eba so Karela ebetena fino ni how to focus the aboni eno no ayo china 3 p.m. Accra Lions enso betena se na on Ebeche United the aboni Great Olympics ene Lagos City the Brekum Chelsea ene Tamale City Dreams FC ene Inswateman Bebeni Go Stars ene Samates na fe Kotoko enso atena fe na Sunday 6 p.m. na on Mediama enso ede Aventamso
Yewremo our Andra game toja our Babaya Sports Stadium ni nkumo enfama Andra after the game and as a former coach Edema Ayo Olympics Bokono after sanso former player Edema Blaster fan coach ya prako ede sam kakadi toja yebusan se game no onya kwanya hwebi na ohwebi asan na ohu game no ede FI.
It was a bit disappointing, and game like I said, there was nothing at stake. Whether the tension will move, I was on the line with our champion, and I was saying, are we playing for 3 points? And I said, yeah. Welcome winning tournament at the now about first match. I say you're just playing for the fans, so we didn't start very well. So I had a call from Nigeria, one of the technical stars now. Okay, Nigeria team when we play them, and you might have to know frame and say, is it the same blasters no money on boy? And I'm saying yes. I say he's surprised because then fresh idea more Kumasi no. Say like say you play like this against us, like we go kill you. Let me see you say Ghana and Nigeria different ball game altogether, and Ghana with Angola. It's also a different ball game. But I don't know whether we are no not tempo no very, very, very low.
and some as a former coach, my great Olympic book on our fan coach, ya preko at the Ajae.
Antoine Semenya and so a player and there's a go back with Ghana share 95 minutes on no ball go no and so at the 2 my concron Ghana. Now game new year Bizan say one no Abesaka and Ghana Blasters way our first goal I was now Ubam no pressure be our swana or see where no pressure near na coaching person Bembayano and no bent near just waiting about the first goal at the Amagana Yenti and Sema Antoine Semenya at the 2 year.
I wouldn't say there was any pressure. I mean, I know when I come on, I need to make sure I'm effective for the team, try to get a goal. So, I mean, there wasn't any pressure in that sense, but the time was ticking, so we needed to act fast, and luckily it dropped in the box to me, so I can't complain. I mean, I always want to be in the starting team, so, you know, if I'm not selected, I make sure when I'm on the bench and I'm coming on, I make sure I'm ready. I've warmed up well and make sure I'm effective for the team, like I said, and, you know, luckily all fell to me and I scored. But you know, I always want to be useful whether I'm starting or on the bench as a goal scorer. So yeah, I'm happy today.
Enti Antoine Semenya no second goal was shade ma Ghana no way enkomo a ono so okande fa ona go no ptomu no ne ebisan say we no go no wanya hye ere ama Ghana competitive game a na say yabo emu na ne no say na nyama esi eted ma o si go na wa hye the confidence na beba o si go no wa hye no Ghana next game dey nim against Angola no ama no more confidence obetimi gem abogo so bebre enso de ma Ghana afo ye no si nchan a wa be hye go on international break ebetimi abo na ne club team a obo no wetimi aposu goals bebre na and so at the Egum Antoine Semenya.
I would say, so the first part of your question, it's obviously a good thing. As a striker, you want to score. So haven't scored in a while. It's good for the confidence. I know that leading up to the next game and when I go back to club football, I know that I've got the confidence for on goal. So, you know, just have to take that with me. But yeah, I'm happy with that goal. Needed it. Definitely needed it for the confidence. And yeah, I just have to keep going now. I just have to keep building on top of that. And the atmosphere is always good here. It's never ever bad.
We Sema Antoine Semenya Ghana player no bo go di tumu no na come on so odija yen eni
ye wura mu ne ni komo ento asom fama de enkonko pay for my player the my Black Stars Abrante for Emmanuel Ajima Badu and so aso end after the game no Abrante so na nuji sem kakra e de baba tudwa wasi game no no hwe bi na game no ono so obo pen de tia boboko a anasa o my friend Angola pen e si Angola no o se Ghana for Asia mu a e ye den pa
modern world na what is there football at be great nti say okusia country bi na o ka cheren say o be hye no bia pass glory bia wo fan ho na o think say o be ma fan iza sembe fa na o hye Angola ye no mo match a ye ntanya ne ize kai 2010 African Cup na go na e so mo wan le kwa sa wan say nti o mo ye side ya mo hia o mo high and they are very nti o hye na match na it shows on the dog yeah build up no na very slow very slow movement is slow because we go do na party the ball kwa no abane some kwaya resources so ejina hold no agide boss no na eno so emwaye na that then supporters by so far omoje disappointed because zero musiba is ka etfanya wina ka be ha supporting base no nyema minu a feel say say ba ko say start if you see the proper box to box number 80 pa akati no ho ka be boy papa yeah like that kind of power we go be ball no the be box mo be shoot wo be pa ne sa ne man
we Sema Emmanuel Ajima Badu eri ajana obaba wie na ebusa se Ghana kwa Angola star ben ene kwan ben so na se Ghana for omuruam na fenkunimdie no eko Edema Black Stars
say nya 1 point automatically qualify for African Cup na me aduma e yebo na ebiko so the concentration is say you don't want to lose and you franco either say nya 1 point every match or more is very good for the team so they are able to qualify na just say na ebe mathematics ya after the week train Mozambique and about African Cup for and the most important is they can recover very fast near take it point or get the 3 points there.
We Sema Abrante for Emmanuel Ajima Badu eri ajaye
Emmanuel Ajima Badu kasa we pe na Ghana Black Stars head coach William George Hilton Christopher oni so kasa for game na nenu a na se oboy no o se for the first time no na so beda Kumasi fo nyina se se ni support am de buy no na se ebo apa ye ohwe atmosphere mu create ya enu ntimi bo am support no emu ayeden Edema Black Stars no se enu a game no first half ni de na eye na second half na disappointing Edema Ghana na so ni nko wie no credit na confirm team Navy said the most important thing no ya yenkunimdie no Black Stars team no enyaye yentie Christopher Hilton
First of all, I'd like to thank the people of Kumasi for creating such an incredible atmosphere. And I have no doubt that the fact that we scored the goal as late as what we did was a factor for the crowd that we had. So I think a big thank you from myself and obviously all the players. I thought we started the game well. Sometimes in this game you have to get your goal or your goals in when you are having your better period in the game. Probably the disappointment is that when we came out at second half, we wasn't able to, I think, replicate what we did in the first half. And the difficulty becomes if you haven't scored and you don't have a lead, the game becomes open. And when the game becomes open, it can go either way. I think we had enough opportunities in the opposition box. But of course, if we don't score them goals, it puts pressure on ourselves. And I thought we were up against a good and very well organised Angola team. But credit to the team and the players that showed great spirit and determination. You know, it's a win, and that's the most important thing.
Christopher Yutin and Komodi Jay, you know, we are and after the game, you supporters are near Ombashe game be, and so Eddie Nkomo at the Far Black Stars game no, maybe Chema performance of Black Stars than I didn't dear. Now say I saw many pa ye, even to Chema, now say Black Stars against some mobile say 3 goals cry, only Angola bomb, now say what train a dynamic, pinchen go now so Botuma, now say on Shadambo Bibia, into Angola there as a performance now, and said that answer is fans living to chess a game no be trabet, it was so muddy, it was sending ko handicap omadi ebi so mo ko kudus to score kudus ancient as on bet na enso asay yenti na supporters enso eka ye edefa Black Stars game enom boy e Kumasi no eho.
Introducing
Ghana. It was a bit disappointing, and game like I said, there was nothing at stake.
Did I know that?
Official so didn't birthday.
And no,
official.
Obolu feature. Now, come on, Namia the second division matches in the Babasu week. Now, there, Kwabrim United, Tenamfi, Nico Tukurash, Abo, Achiansi, Jungle Stars, and Vitens FC, and about Basco, Tenamfi, Bosumi United, about 3 Stars, Tenamfi, Kai Storms, about Tronai, Tenamfi, and Vidaku. And so,
and then Basso
weekend, yeah, weekend in Basso.
Okay. Neko to Korea since we na kono nti live commentary so beba e wa hinkana 3.3 te wa sudin na ti ene o theater of dreams ko to Korea se ne King Faisal e na ebo o feature obolo
nti birthday no do we
o de ewia wa beto no nti we de embra na so nti me fancy ewia be ye ho adwuma ye pa untimi ntina boabo na nka so di birthday sa keke na ya na so radio so na on tina se na on je hwe han inti ne besi bia no ebesi ne inti edisi na fe Mr Samuel obo for amanfo early morning show na to asmidin di Joshua Company jenim oti ayo safe fajirin cafe obrempon poko Raymond ashete rat na fe Ben Maule mo boy ye de semno enso ebija captain in the morning oboba ofori amanfo over to you.
Arise adisie obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
Uro utrumu anu mucha. Uro utrumu na wo mucha. What panty are you wearing? What color of panty? I saw them all. I saw them. So preaching obi bisani niasa. What color of panty are you wearing? Tieni muaye. I know they wear any pant. I know they wear any. Ukonya mi fiye winja dross. Hey generation yarima mempong. Hey. Sound of Motia. Mama, foot to your feet. Let's close. Shower dress. What dress? So you are Yashi Champana say. Nasha. Robert dress. So you're romantic. Robert dress. You're romantic. Can you imagine natural? I feel now because so and Sapapa yes, you know I you know that kind of prayer about what you say, amen. And I was to say, and the one me aware near Baby Druffy, Papa, you near Cuckoo Dry, the yes, I did to see Peter. Into the show when we are home, the 5 year no moon shows away empire way. Abraham Crawford, Yadiku, Colibua, woman, Yampaba, right? Yampire. Kisi siya kisi wanko kawo biya no siya kisi nyabo tre na hadi bawo so asede akomya si so awosuo bi asi bi oba osuru wonyame wono ne yede ne bobra wonna ye ne bobra enye to akese Ghana mema mu the fat ass bekon atupebi bekun the obeko bunsem Friday ya make us we should be there we fie why yira wompa wo obi fie ochina wo be si ni niema ade a che a wa betena Sunday wo yare me so when you make us one mawa depa within the namna mempe will be an why you feel boys here go up so can you why you feel pescankwa the year funny jeans ya what the Nigerian the posa is see at the hatter because jeans are now at this cab I would be a month now and yes I may penny about tie will be about tie cantaman to coat but he knew what your condition would do Tiania. Asafu amwa deg na mo sare mo amonum ire num nofo mo diman wo bom mo na mo sare babu ni siwanu fuanu ko bom asia eni ba ina sare mo paye na awrade mi akwa mo sare ba bi yare e bi aduma sai o sare ahoma che ba bom pan no wanu monofo num nofo saba frede mo na kezi sabu chire Fimri can you protect your own? They say Akasa, a radia Casa Cherame, what Jim Forbiniza or Pump what the nation's one, or Yamatia said. Why when it's out when you what was in your contact, you may see us all. Why would you find one woman, one crime on your contact in Siasoro? And Siasoro, on your couple to me at Jumavidia, Beniswa Shan and Koyo, and I should tell you, Master, Lebre Akolobo Stondon Kanaka, Lebre Askatara Bastanda, Tonsramicano, Tiaziankama. Yes, go. Be a peja bradinya kopam. When you are here now, did too much. Nana unim nyansa jai. What was here in the name of Jesus? Jai now, man, assume the emra. Jai now, crowd this so hidden. When you mix Ramna Promoho, Nana Jana, what you do? Yes, God. Sia, original nation prophet one. About 4 months, say. When you grada, when you jatana, and shemo, and with Jesus Christ, Nazareth, yes, Mojanso, and come. Man, Jesus enter appear there. He just you won't fall into my God. You won't do him so even when I answer. Also for the grand tell them up of many one that's an rebel. A small tin was so far no clone for honor. And for clone for now and no community. A small clone for better make up a senior prophet. Didn't make up 40. But the prophet. What am I called scooter? What jump school filter? Don't matter what jump school filter. A poor. The Yansano, your funny fear. Now, Sabe will fear Yansano. I just saw Didi Waru. That's right. Or Piani Di Waru with the piano. Concrasse. No could did Waru. And now Tobio Kumasia. He did Waru. Yes. Found Samus Anawashi. Shin Kwan won some suffer. What Shin Kwan won some say among Yansa. Sankan Waru. Not with Shin Kwan Chiao Tichio Tia. That's right. And Kwan is so Quasia won't trim.
na yi kwasia ne na de obeba afode no ekọ afini doctors bibie no obiem yare abempo capitals B se capitals B etimi kwade a ene na won so yare aka nyina e twa no wo yesini mu yare aben na ekọ capitals B oh man what bro man na tina onyame modidi ditam no me yenya dwuma kra me ni jam da asiam san me na nya bibia correct me honen so nya se banku anya twa bi atoso ana manim muamu ase hippopotamus asiakwa etini pa bi ahwe awrade hira wonye sasta ni bidja wonye sasta ni bidja se be mane fa no be tani be mane sa tani sa buamfu ni kira no te be mane su kri se sa sakra ye pompu ni bagwan no oh god
don't me catch the be mane se so ba ni nye ni bidja de na e ohunu ade e deda oh me catch
cause asema na so kan no be tani be mane sa tani sa buamfu ni kira no te be mane su kri se sa sakra ye pompu ni bagwan no oh god
don't me catch the be mane se so ba ni nye ni bidja de na e ohunu ade e deda oh me catch
cause asema na so kan no smas dia na kafa o
aja no de yakupon sa ye dream ka pa ye ba ho ni abeti ye de e se ye nshira de e se no smas ni de aja wo ta wo kan ya che
nana kwa menya dia oba wo nya sa de ne utini wo na ye no kokrom ko ba ya ya mi ka ton tie ya mi ka dia wo ne susa se ya
wo jare me so wo jare ya
Adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM some pim tamia pim dream yo pim tamia pim I don't yo kasi pim kasi yo koyo minya biya body yo koyo Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM
My emphasis and call the sports team Joshua Kwabene Janim Kofi Ejiri AJ Yedoma Sibebre. I don't see this is how we do it on Fridays. Yeah, could you weekend, you know? I don't see your mouth voices of our time. Now I enjoy Kakra. Into my way, saying, "Yet the Akanyari to us about sending so for me. I feel I do feed in to Hanamo matching. And only Jimediano Edin on behalf of the team. Yeah, more Quaba. Eddie Abashuni, so Copim said 10. Everyone on penny, yes, sorry, so. Now, Sunny, what done it, Tiano Peno? Where me when you are quadro better chero? What you me when you why? Bon, so. Ow! Yeah, the Akabet was so matching. I don't need you made anything or frame or booba or for the amount for adventure. 0594841044 0594841044. Fabrani and can kind of come and farm out. Yes, streaming live on Facebook, YouTube, and so Bekoho. Nina Henkai 93.3 FM. Switching to the brighter side of life today happens to be your birthday. Nathaniel Kwabena Ofuri. Kwabena Ofuri no tafrel. Despite media reporter Chim Odan and in the enclave. Enti Kwabena Yanko Ponton Kwanem why. Live long and prosper, and of course live to be 93 or 3 and beyond. But me wish for you a back umpe asori ko enye Kwabena asori ye you asori ye but Kwabena umpa asori ko mene waka wechire ho ye kan wumua yesi ye tu funsu to kurum kokuam no ante ha ne ye dia betina dwam Kwabena kwasori umpa sorry enye o enye obi anka nkyere wa be maka kyere o nimi ane hey ono ni e prefect o pe omo ye diabolism no a Kwabena Furi or a student of diabolic agenda jamekes here. Oh, there be Kwabena you too much. Oh, you brutal. Ain't measure that boy, you may ama Kwabena. On my reserve, but my main concofa with that chinty or brack into a foot near this year. And it is so simple. But of course, me say every weight has a world. Inti my main former headmaster, near friend who can do. The Diankasankasa Mr. Bracon. A dear na a different with school, a cool can do. And Omo brofo ni you are ne wef no enti o say every weight inti ko kan tumo brofo ni every weight has a waff. Oh my goodness. O twen bia we nipa dasani o twen ya uhwe animu no ebeba why yamfa ne se wakwa kwotena car station ena o twen car na odi atu kwan car na ba wakwotena car nim wakọ te se bia odan Accra station e hoda metai ko enti ma kwakotena Accra car mu se me konkran se me ko na me kokoto car no na me kotena car nim na bia me koto te se nipa me ensa mi wo gidie se me koka ho ne ye beye nan me san wo gidie se twen a me twen no e den a car ne beye ma botaye enti a me de kotena car nim se me konkran e ye den car ne beye ma amankran no meko nti ene ne de nam eyetiawa every weight otwen bi a wo twen no eye danyara botaye nti a wo de twen no ebebem otwen bi a ewo awieye na ya na awieye no eye wieye papa nti minim ni a wo twen wom ebi a wo twen wa wariem onkrofo osere se wanyin he madam twen why koso wa twen na wo twen no men ne nkrofo men ma ho kwan ma nkrofo ne wo ne da rough twen na wo twen no kan wona to so sister girl bra twen na wo twen no emfa wabanto kon ho emfa nka nantwie so enti sa ebre so sa ba no ebra so wo se wo dia ba no edika nantwie so a o ma ba no so aba no emma every weight has a wealth intano pay men kasa mama semonwa ewiemu aye yurudududududu ensuo nsu gugun kakra sisi ayi unya TB hyehye no apeburudo bi eburudo no pe awawaye no anase ehye ododo mu no ana unya ayi tea bread no a na de aboso enti men kasa mama semonwa ne ame ka kire wo ne se ne awuye bi a wo hwe ni mu se ebere papa ebeba no emuaba mu koso ana twen na otwen bia no eya na emu ewo enije se ne otu kwan akonkran kotena akraka mu ne nipa mienu pe na tim na onya gidie se eye den aka ne beye ma na eye den obekwa koduru nkran eye den akumase na okọ no obekwa koduru ho no mo asomdwe mu dia medofo twen na otwen bia no eya na emu ewo nhyira ene enije Kristo asomdwe nkan ho na dum no so maye adehye mei ene wo da chinti ne yede nam no medase
Adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Lumba for you. Good morning and confirm Sir Michael Ota Obing. Ota. Who you too much? Ochra dear Ewo Achiasi Senior High School. A very good morning going out to you, Sir Michael Ota. Have you ever kwabra for you many two mame? Kwabra for you many kwabra for you woda. Enti kwabra e wo se ye wi a ade ne so asi weekend ne kama. E wo se ye pe be fa. Can you imagine? We will hear
Ghana Adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM. She loves. I'm I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up, chin at me, you come through when your heart break. Alright, go.
Ghana Adisiye, a Boba Ofore amount for Emma Atin, and the Bar Ahinkai 93.3 FM.
I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love.
Okay. Okay, it's your number called Yamakabina Furi. Live long and prosper. Nasa medical catch on Suya said, yeah, quite sorry. A branty mu and pass sorry. And yet cry. Suya said, yeah, quite sorry. Now, Udino also me money saying Michael or being Otta. Can you imagine this? The one time was we shared it was with your money if you it's a freaky funky Friday. We are too serious with Fiada will be woo. I do manager her. If Fiada know what my name Muago Kakra, as I say. Hey.
Your bestie, Danny bro. You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up, chin at me, you come through when your heart break, push and shit, heart break. Now me the bike dinner for your mind, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, and I want to carry my love away to the place she loves. I'm a man.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Baba, Yankopon Islam, Papa, Yankopon Islam, and kind pony upon a dream, so dear Juma, we Bahan, Pacon, Ditum, Yankopon Islam, any pan. Oba no to kind of mamma and Papa. When Yankopon can't, you know, the town woman, the Yatro.
Oba, many Emma Humfamase and limit me because my trust every time. We a product, to be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of you. Yamishra be
Massa, or a great host, party, presenter. You're unique. Me, the account, so you are unique.
I think the way you are asking your questions is very excellent and brilliant. I've spoken to about 45 media houses ever since the budget is ready to be discussed. By the way you are asking questions brilliantly, I don't think most media houses have.
We are self and then I will be a ATM. You make a more for a Tumayi, na Yamamu was Eastern region one more, a Hong Kong more, the Yaman food chip free at the bench. Yes, and the first very, I mean, this is one of the fast, very intelligent questions, but people like you need to be highly esteemed in this society.
Okay, Yakwa Fancy Kakra, Yemra Metwaso, the one Katam was so, and only bre as soon. May no say and penny for say, I wore ni famuno near a ne auto badge by ho, a fear ample for. Women Sabin Kumuswa, one a student or yaching teacher. A dream pahini Kufi Mensa, and penny for Mama Machiano pay. Na headmaster way, ask me who not check.
Or redeem woman.
Headmaster,
no about picture.
Oh, okay. ɛna ayi ɔtaa nso yɛ research paa ɔde research report ba abɔnten so akyɛ nti wɔsua mmɔ na oh I see
wɔde ne mpaboa no ahyɛm kakra
ɛba wobɔ adwuma wahwɛ kyire papapapapapa wahwɛ kyire wahwɛ kyire yie ɛndra nkurɔfoɔ a no mu tie a mo sɛne me messages ebinom sɛ wo yɛ good student oh yes
mentataw
oh dabi wahwɛ kyire yie papapapapapapapa
ɔmokɔ remarking
sɛne ɔmo nso tumi yɛ research no ɛtwetwe nneɔma de wura mu so ada sɛ woyɛ good dodo woyɛ good dodo enti sisi a nso anɔpa yi nsuo no egugu ɛno nso so no research ɛkyerɛ sɛn
sɛdeɛ nsuo no gugu anɔpa ne sei ne deɛ ɛyɛ ma yɛne sɛ wahu ɛna
yɛne ne yɛ hemfoɔ
yɛne a yɛpɛ adwuma no ɔhu sɛ ɛyɛ ma yɛn ɛnhyɛ da nkye yɛn saa ɔhu ɛna ebinom wɔ hɔnom so anɔpa yi no ɔmo a na ɔmo yɛ pɛɛpɛɛ no ɔmo sɔre anɔpa sei no ɔmo aho keka ne wɔ soro kyɛ yɛne a ɛno a yɛda a wɔ ne mu no a yɛde saa nɔɔma ntoma no kata yɛ ho no
na ade ntoma no akyi ne ɛsan wɔ foforɔ bi
yɛwɔ ntoma no bɛyɛ deɛ wɔwɔ deɛ wɔ hɔ ahodoɔ bobɔ bi din bame ntoma no bobɔ bi din
ɛyɛ deɛ ɔde bi apompa
ɛyɛ friend sɛ mede yɛsɛ yɛ friend sɛ ho aho yɛ akyi akyekyedeɛ akyi anaa tiɛ wɔ nto ɔmo sɛ akyekyedeɛ akyi
ɔmo sɛ ɛsɛ no
mede saa na ɔmo ka no ɔmo wɔ ne din bi wɔ hɔ nti wɔn sɛ ntoma no bia wɔ ne din ne adeɛ woakyedeɛ deɛ baakofoɔ bɛforo
ɛna asɛm ato yɛn ne n'asefoɔ yi ne nyinaa wɔ hɔ but meme nea menim nso ne sɛ ɛfiri berɛ a yɛwɔ me a meba asase yi so ntoma a menim ɛyɛ mmienu pɛ ɛyɛ normal ntoma sei ɛna bed sheet asa
ɔboɔ ntoma no
blanket
ɛno so wɔ hɔ ntoma deɛ ɔnidi soɔ yɛ obi wɔ nom a woyɛ bɛrima yɛ ntoma a wofira wɔ hɔ ɛwɔ din
yɛwɔ mɛrima ntoma wɔ hɔ
yɛwɔ mɛrima ntoma ne yɛwɔ mmaa ntoma wɔ hɔ after ntoma no a yɛyɛ nim no ntoma foforɔ bi wɔ hɔ
nti sɛ ɛnyɛ nika nso ntoma sɛdeɛ ɛfira yɛ
wosɛ nya nika nso nika nso wofiili when you touch it you feel it
ɛyɛ ntoma yɛ ɛne sɛ ɛyɛ ntoma wɔ yɛ bia
ose
sɛ ntoma
ɛno no feeling yɛ different
ɛno no ɔbaa ne bɛrima ho asɛm no wɔka
ɔbaa ɛno no wɔka ɛno no saa na wɔka
sɛ no wonim sɛ wɔ nipa ntoma wɔ hɔ
onipa ɔyɛ ntoma
wonim sɛ onipa ntoma wɔ hɔ
sɛ wɔba
ɛnti wonim deɛ ada na meka wo sɛ
ɛne sɛ wɔba ne bɛrima yɛ
nyame anukure ne menim
saa
ɛne ɔba ne
ɛyɛ ɛka kyerɛ sɛ nsuo tɔ a woaba no ade na ɛyɛ ne yɛdeɛ
na nsuo tɔ no a wɔba wo ntoma wɔ hɔ yɛ dɛn
saa ntoma wei no ɛmu aha awɔba ma mu yɛ ha
mede ɛno deɛ meme deɛ mente ase ntoma no mu yɛ ha ti sɛ ndura sei meme bɛda no na awɔna no ɔden because me pɔn yɛ no me fa nsuo mu na kɔ fie eti me hyɛ mede kan hyɛ ataadeɛ ɛna mede ntoma no san
egu so wamfa ntoma baako bi ansa egu so
ntoma bɛn biem
ɛne ɛwɔ deɛ ne yɛ to so na pɛ na awɔ nte sɛn
because of sɛ na me hyɛ ataadeɛ nti na me yɛ okay
baby man no simple
me kinu obi ne yate ase dadaada ba yɛ nkeka nkɔ hɔ
awɔ kora de me bɛn kyɛ sɛ asɛm no agye me nsɛm ama medwen ho a ɔyɛ good student
idi ase na okay
dane bi adwen ka asɛm bi kyerɛ afei da bi adwen ɔyɛ masɛ awie
kɔyɛ mo
first na adwen
say bia na odi kan steady system no ansa
so ka chese system di mo esh na so okay
enyamia papa no
system no se mo esh ntino
kofi oduro o se ga je o se atopa bi do be ko bu nsa
yen ga wa to pasem
atopa di mo ash
adu ko mu sam je mo bitimi du ko wo
ya se mo
afia mi sisi mu hyehye mi sisi mu hyehye hu na
na onko to yi I say ye bo classic ho de ro wa ha. Classic. And also not talk classic ayi.
Now they twitwim.
Usisi mu hyehyɛ na de twitwi.
Unsa tie sisie na mu hyehyɛ na wo mo.
Doti.
Tino classic.
I say bia one nanti bebre. And I say nanti ayi nanti bebre.
Papa ya otiwe wo. Aya na wa sada no beso di wura baabi.
Obuga bebre.
Obuga o. De tie ne say yes say utiri mu fan a. Nti amwanku. So that say.
Oboa.
And nti ya na me ndwendwen ko baabi a ya amodwendwen ko.
Oboa.
Ade dey say simple guys.
Okro di da onu ma na umia anchenche. Tani ya di da o monche.
Some dey simple.
Bani.
Whether is any aye.
Say da whether ya. Ense bebre wom
enye hwe
ena me so na miti
still eto
ana pamba magazine tie me ya na free se nka me ko na mo ntoma be se mienu gu a
da bi tie uti ya wo ya na se won tai no mu nsuo uti tai o ya ntentema ante so tai no mu nsuo
doctors way
enti wo se wo no mu nsuo to aso
no nsuo papa
enso still how uti ya o ya
o se
two times me hia fofu ma
obi ani ni system
da bi o
system no bi ani de
ye nipa yi de ye na mawia so ye koba hwe wie bo Ghana ha se ozone layer no so atete o nta wia na ba direct ntia de uti be ya so that say enu uti ya no anu munsuo uti ya no anu madru kakra uti ya no akọ hospital akọ check up ne sa ne man
o baba ko so yankopon so onim nti de to boss ha be no so yo adwen ke
na ya ka adwen ka
ayo ma bebre
ero de ade
de adwen ka anya kuntu
yo mesi nya na ya ka me kan hwe o pese wo kan wonza aka
ana awari asem na mo kan mo kan awari asem
se ni nyina ka ho
ade de ya ka ko si atopo sa na ni achia
wo de fefe ko ye ma sa man ahu
me ti ha yi me nware ye enti minim de enti e wo se me dwen se de wo dwen no
me me de ahi
e nipa
so what you say
do ai
me nware ye
ka yo ka ye na ka se ba ko su
da bi o san komo ba bi o person de komo ne fa no eye ebi ti se kwaku nkruma mo betena ha mo betumi akasa asem no ofren sen Brad Nelson so ba obetumi adisa nkomo no
se yifo ni musin aware
sen PM general manager so ba onu so betumi adisa nkomo yi but me no mienu de ye de adisa nkomo
ye bedi
sa
ade edi
so gata me na gata me say system what's the system no say the aye no system so ye ntimi say no system and the system na ewo mu no ye nyina ye di san komo no
ye be di edi nkomo no kama whether is any aye
say who betimi a kire wadwen but utumi nkan say
go
utumi a kire wadwen
but utumi nkan se de tie no
say tini ya kire wadwen no say nkan si so
say kura no buka ka
erinam tante no ha
o mampani da mahama say onya mampani da utumi criticize no so that say nti ya me nwanwa se munni mampani da
ade we die
mu nso mu di mampani fo nkomo saa no
ade adwen ka no de ya nkyira waza
ero de obi nja kwala nya
adanu mi ade mi hu se ko 40 TV so na o ma yiro mo ho am tip show di say eh ade we ya unda da kampo
secondary school edi ba bia want to say
tira mo ha mo ho a kire
omo ye enrollment sisi yi omo ye enrollment yi what to say ye obi ubetimi apply no akwa kusua no nso so nti no
nka ho
but nyankopon a kire nda da
isa no de no ye school a eye embedded in us nti ye wo wa ba asase so no ano wo ye a graduate
one po mu degree ni PhD ni nyina kura ho doctor ni nyina kura da da
edi o ma na o be sua
we tesi kwan to wo ba tesi kwan
o de dano o de kan
na ubenya a teacher fo bi ti se kusi no na omo enroll na omo tetew ma ba esa adwempa mo a na fi wa ba no extreme so that's here
extreme so na umusisi mba sheshe wa mo omunya hohwe
stop students na uncle school no go fie I was program conference or don't come with it.
Don't come.
Oda homaso ana
oda homaso
ye no hambre
odon taban
I was here do odon taban no e hye mo nsa na mo manage
oda me ti boy bracket what say me we
mo mo da bi ja me kwa ngasa ye ni
sisi adwen
na di hu obit me a panel member
adwen
e ho baby asusu me kon ja no shi
obit me a panel member
da me na ko mo ben ko a afia ka no obi ante ko be so bom de ka
catch us adwen
bom de ka
kusi atre no too much na ka check say
so kusi kusi ya ba ni di wa
o senior minister
ano obaso family bata ho
and a good leader bia na obi otimi training obi a oni ho a obetimi atake over na wa hwe kire said ya wo yi enti kusi a good leader baby owo bia me bo me nsema no wa ya de papa
no chai
otimi training wa ya de
yisi amba me kama no atum
o da bi
basem bia
research ndem wo obi nso ntehwe obo onim hwe ayi kan want reverend odros o se wa hye 90 ba kwa sha ba ko pede bia zim to obi ebia wo kan ba ko na afa na so so ne ma me change style na bo anti mun ko so anya research
ye ba ye kasa nsema ya keken ye de gunsan ye ni awo be topi
me asemi ka hwe me so
o be topi o so ti adum na yi ni nya egu mi so
de o bon kata na ready won
o sisi me yi nyina o keken mi magazine me yi wasam ba bi adam de na mi
atam no peso be kan makama wa
the one say I ready am for me for na ye jamo a mo be odo ahoma so eso odo ntama wa ha
ya semu
ye di wachi kakra
yesu ana mo yesu ana mo
yes
mo se chami o eni ni mposu mseni enya de pa
yes and be yesu ya
enya de pa
run your pe
enya de pa munyai
God na asemu ti ya go Ghana is say
agenda wa na bon krata mo fa mai
oh yeah the Ghana is mama ya mamu nyina mo ache ebiem sa mo makwa aba de ba mansa dia tumu kasa fidie obowura mo mai konkon Ghana mo amantam akomakodu ensia ena okuta apuama ntamu ana behunu ahenkan 93.3 FM achim aboabo maame akua afrakoma bata pa studios ena ebutuo anopai mache ani dwumadie no edin a ugusu a wo so wo enjoy na mache ne mu ena yedi da obonka atam boso ni di animu no yede ebesom wo se de be aso behu nsem awodo a ena yi etwaguo eso oman emu na wo hwe wa kire bre no eso anopa no nwotwe abo apa osima ne du nwotwe 8:18 AM afe Canada shima manuanu mienu ayasin konya de bonka tamboso di baba som wo ye me adwen pa hene kofi mensa adwen papa na papa endi onim kan mene marima apedie the beauty queen mother
efia hampofo
yankwai afe Canada shima ma yati asim na wo aye the bonka ten mo de midi frase I the founder and ye watching Ghana handsome dear wahunu bi pa na no pay what the aba na the all can your chem say national petroleum authority for NPA for and omde nsem awdo dia to dwa kire mu say omonam na omotete say enkrofo say wonom adaya ai yes good for oil no say sika ye twa wo so krampo no eso chan frank gono bo no acha say nya de ketwa enti sam no kasi yasen kwofo guso o mokika ka na no ana Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid ate ya penos hey dabi anya sa na tie mamu ntie sansem no mokika na good for oil policy no anya de si ye tua ka biare na so ten dwumade ne hyehyeye enti no wasem wode aba wode boka temo chese ka tafeto so enum wode asani people enso ede ato na owie ya no ana o kirem ese enei ukopie mu China wono anya ade atum ama Ghana fo hope kese bi amama ye bose kese pa ni daso kese ese wono behwe no amaboa ye na ka ye de no omabo moden afa tredua no matwetwetwa bi mu ama yen sade be beboa ma IMF fo betie ye nsufre no omso aba beso yasene ente no asem da boka tai so ede aba chese enya ade ketwa na owie ya no kire mu se owura Dr. Kwabrado fo ankane oswafo no risk asamto to ni dwumadie eso ana wono soso na nya bre chenchina che wase opesu oyi mahama etikode bofom se to na wono ebe sechini ye nase na eja wono mo ensoso ede ne nantenga kangakra na afimpino ene aduonu enan wahwe no kopiemu ewo abankasie mu Jubilee House entinani abre osre tu ani esi ahino mo andi samanyokom so mana kwanya no tu franka afa mamanyoku no etine nkrata okofa aya okotintim ne ho adanse die nsam de gu mo no wode akwa kire sampa menie me Kwabrado fo me sefata amanyoku ma som ne mfie bebre bi ekuo ni ba pipo me di ade yeye eti mongimintum na moma akonya nam so yantwim so tonto enti anu asem de boka tedi abani watwa owura Dr. Kwabrado fo na nkasa mfonyi di aba na afi owura fifi avi kote so de mfonyi enso di abono na twetwerefo panyini edema eye ndi samanyuku no na owie ye no na wokyerem se yenuanom nkramofo enso so nyakopo adaroma kakanga kra nura na wonom fa akonkyere na akyese isam no kase de omo akonkyere mu no enya de ketwa to mu gusua na eye opanyini bi enso so ahye mu nkran se omo yire omo ho na wa akonkyere omo fa yi mu no hwe no man ko ye nyoma bi ensam fata begu omo hu fin da bi o ya akonkyere nyoma bi wono so twetwe hu fifiri mu na timi so aboa ma nyoma timi akonkan wei eye credibility da obokrata the founder
Abusia maya twaso mede eye the chronicle da obokrata no na etwaso ede amount na the chronicle da obokrata na nim his excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo shefugu kama fugu ye feminya bi wadwaso ameto we nananum se de ya wonta hu bi mpu hyehyɛ bi eye ba ko pedamfua efe papa blue na brown na dot na ye guy anapay eni oni omuhwe mu yi picture na efe pa na jom de to ha enti na picture na efe ye pa na Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo da ha yi na ne aframanta mu so ahemfo Volta region emu ahemfo wonom akọ Jubilee House abankesiem wamu ko nyina sedanyom kwan wamu to ni ebuza na mu kwa mse ekohia nana omuhia nana mse na ya dawasio omanu so kwa ekope nana ya dawasio nana se na dey o se nanu ada ya dia ye ya ni so papa nanu ada Independence Day ya de ba Volta region unimbu abu ya eka ho aseda kura nka beka se nkofo odwan ka ho eti ene ye nanan so asom des o mani age pa ya se ahemfo e wo framante mo mani age papa na ene wo hwe ntade o mafade atim se you ahomeka wom e kire ne anim na ase anu mwanso Ghana mampani dada John Dramani Mahama mfoni da ha ene wa pagya ne nsa ne se ya atim se o ma tactical strategies bi wa ha asem a wo kan na se aban no Ghana ngasa yehia se empuntu ne bekoso pa de yehia se ye de hyehyeye bi gu akwam ye kasa hyehyeye we ye botaye nie ye ndru hu ama obi ye ya de foforo se ya mpesa hyehyeye papa ni bi pa ne ye jai se obi amene de a NDC bo ba ba ne de MPP bo ba ba ne de MPP jatu won NDC on beto aso Endi susu jatu MPP metwa so esanso onu onim se oya na dia na nkofo behu enti ebra so se ye hyehyɛ nyoma yie ni apa botai ankasa nipa oni botai so de na nam wiase kwa enti e wo se oman nya botai bi tu nani so se aha na epese eduro obi aba wabeye bi aboa masa botai na wiem die enya sa pa de mpuntu de bebo yen se ne sebe jonso abo akokɔ ebe boyan sane enyi abo techrema no enti ehun sam so eda hanum se na ncha no wanso Dr. Kwabena Dufuo da ha Mahama twigum no so twigum o se Ghana ha se no enidaso ho pa nti se ya o se enidaso ni ho no mo a enidaso ebi ewo ho say nya leader papa obetumi aboa yen ama enioma akoye pa ye nya leader eja obetumi aka nioma si ani akeka nioma si ani akeka nioma si ni a Ghana be ko nanim na god webrebe ya woni kwa ebretu oni de akeka ho bibia ye wobi enti ani da so de ho na aka nipa no omdi anim adwen na ekura wo no ene ese pe nipa na adwen ya papa na asia no wa sexy dondon abrantie ono akwada prison ya ewo demanding you motivika some afeme yere mo fam yere na mhwebe anim JB dankwa edu kane mrashe bedwani a no ojem de made hya wono mo abu akwa north ni wuo no sa sexy dondon yade se ni din forifori mu ye nya sam keto anya atwodi atwa se de sexy dondon wo so ye muzrami ni se wa convert eco islamic somo no ehon sam eda ha say National Petroleum Authority wamun so da so good for oil no eno na aboa ma say enioma fu obo aba fom sinkofo bi ni nam say ekwa adwaman so a akofom omuso da bi ye good for oil na eti MPA for eno no we aya the Chronicle Delbo Krata munsem
na ya toaso ewo eye kafrao Daily Post mu na Daily Post nso so de nsama wodo de aba na no pai a chese ene enya agro na ne nsama de eba ye no ana wodi tudwa ekirem se weni di na Edem abana ohun Edem agbana oh okay enti esem no kasai wono so so yesi na nya bre wo ketunofo wo sese akunya no e wo se wono ene betena so te wo se mra se bedwafio no mo akọ faale no wono so ne form sa wo pese wo pere sa akunya no na otu wo pere wo NDC amanyukuo no enso di mafimpino ni aduonu nan enti wono so de ne form se kọ anya da obaka tedi ho asem de aba na aya ebuakwa north abato mpesia so anka ne wono mra se bedwane a wanya ne ba bi kọ JB dankwa wono so na asem yi edaso awu asande bia o atese yade kọ ni yade ba sexy dondon ni vonyi da Daniel Siedu yeso ono na amanfo susu se wono na edi oye JB dankwa awu na ne nsam no e wasande bia na ekoye ndro amukotena asem ne so no ana eye Daniel Siedu kiremu se eye ankane CID boss ana wote asem ne so no no pese ko hye ne kete ma ne gige eye ensem bidie se ade bi won ma se ade we waye wonu anim se wonye yesikase waye wose sana na former CID boss no pese woye no enti en ho asem da boka tadi aba asem we pada ben na ne bewie ka asem o katafato so nsia enso ne enkono sa asem we ni people watintim de agu oto wadwum ya okesia no akopɛ da boka tadi no ato no akenkan na enti ase na timi aba kama na ankane Ghana man panyini Owura John Dramani Mahama kopie mu ewo Damango na okoye no ehonu ma so ne yese aye kewuo Ghana man pan ekosoro
enti ayu ayi
Peter
Domboadu
ai
sisi
Peter Obi ojina he
court
ojina court
court
okay
when I walk out
Peter Obi court Tino guso kwa ya sabia
Tino so kwa ya
social media ne
Dabi oko ayo anya ya sabia no oko
so medical checker
Dabi oko haja kwentu kronkron ni bi
oh okay
edra bi hu se na ona mu a
la oh okay
oko daka
eni aye
ma kan fudu afro
oh
yeah kan fu chacha ti won de omnya no economic mezaya e bedandru wa
that yan oh
nya da patwa
onu awie bibia fom ye
fom de ye ma no obeba be face jata ne ma
ba ade ba ko so ni se ase opani no on ne beating sanko pepepe dawo ana mo hweda
Nyankopon asem
ono no ayi no omasa no prefer
agbaja no nam ha
agbaja no
unso mo mai no
bra so gbon ni
wọn wù sá náà wọ́n sá nù.
na mo ma na nyoma ni na asa ne bekoi.
Dabi wa ya time on say oluma de ono otimi kura ye na. Aya ye.
Enyo ba na de ma na okọ beat.
Ono nyum bia.
Ono ani kuro ma sa no so.
Eno de bi.
Eno do okay, ebi eno no ya ade.
Dabi eno kura pokra me. Emre bi otutu cha no ho say na kakra.
Eno do ya ade.
Edum bia obekọ off beat zizia.
Hey! Omo observe we nyina o.
Ensuo ni nso to.
Papa. Yo faba.
Remo say ensuo ni ba sa na ebegu studio. Ensuo ni to.
Topa gidi ana pass e brother. So to achepa.
Kwaku nkruma mo tie yin a. Sabri no. Omo ma we no, Milo no. Omo ni nye deep.
Wahu nipa. Wahu.
No mo famra. Enso to ayesa wo mu
ye. Si anim. We dey ja no. Ye be bie ko we dey ja ma ne keka nko.
On famra.
Yes oduru da mango na e dey na course.
Na dey waka no fatwa so. Complete your statement.
We are super Bible asembi obeka bia no kro.
O say
Bible. Asembi obeka bia no kro hwemhwemenya no kre.
Sa na seminity e.
O say ni kwa say ni ba ko tena ho.
Ne Bible beka bia no kre de kire say eduru ba bi na ohutwam a ebebo odede. Eduru ba bi na omuhunu so bra so a ye be dede di ama wo. But dede no awie ye no ekusi say.
Mida we ya be na wono
yentwa da mango.
Ose ni bade ni kwase ka otena times 2.
Ase Adam.
Adam share ya no say.
Adam.
Bi hia bi.
Ebre so an yo hia bia bebe ma ye bre.
Ready. Ya da wase. Eti NDC for no mu kire mu se oro don do mani ma obi a mo ntutuo bia wo ba bia na mo se chairman na asom o papa na asom no trend no kwaku anyudo ya so na trend no sai ai mama kwa me ko huru no na ma panyin bia ma kwa me huru no ja
no
on was no dia o koku ada da tete ya disifo sei wow ma yo kwesi umfrim na so sori aso utoma da pa asem ni ejanu wasem no na NDC Pro Forum for Mosusu USA ani ase omani abre ewo eye nanado danko akufado swin ada ye omse nanado danko akufado ede wono na manyo kromfo akọ asoye so mko so abato dwuma de ntoto ye so tom so mo nte ase ye ani omo tutu bi mane ne party eno wasem da obokata ede aba wei eye Daily Post da obokata emu ensem
egusu agina daily fu ani mu ana wei Daily Guide da obokata no na framanta mahemfo amakwabo na nado abaso da ha ene endrada enkofo ye yebu omudin seja wo mu nkoni enkototo ma no e wo mrahye bedafie sene ebe ya aswafo adwumadi e de ahye omsa na betimi awie mu die no mababa ye no sticker ka ho keti amod ka ho ne wo ma maka ene ase endrada mrahye bedafie kwahwe drama upon drama enkonya wo mu yi bi papa o mu hunu di o mu kire minority fo wo mu so mu approve eni no hu sanka ye bebre eda ha ye ne se drama cantata ena ndo ekoso ewo mrahye bedafie se mpanifo ne beju o matumu hu sanka ye enko free show o mu yi ye endra eno no na asia no mu anso ba omia ena ye se wakọ simpe na honso akwakohia nananom ahemfo ya wakohyehyebo enya sam ketro ho nsam eda ha se dufu aso no de owogidie ewo Ghana musa Ghana si enya pani papa bi di animu a Ghana be fa ntoma papa efra we eye Daily Guide da obokrata no
na Republic press the worker tani mu ensam ana de shima mamede ebe o 7 the republic na o tremu se na mwan da so Ghana ha chief executive officer the ma men's good Ghana limited piso nana apia mensa ofam di ba kokura ka ho na mwan ana dodo na de nim no yese papa yi ani e court se wo kwa wo ba ni okwa ba ni wa court anase asedi bia mako aduasam yensa 33 ni nyina so okwa yemfane nka no aba enti anu wasem de twa tiasu yo sa court biem na da boka tai de abba na owie ye no chem se kopiem awa asante mantam mu a konfanote abanyare sabia honom wotrem se IT system no omu chem se omu ma obi biara nya akonya monwura so wa be fontentan no so sanse isi Ghana bibia obi hu ya no atebi no de aba omsi da bia sa na egu adwuma no hu fin eti omu so ayo madwe se omu emma aya akonya mo bia so emfa ayasabia no nsensem bia ma social media so bieti de obokatai edi mu nchiremu edi aba na owie ya no ana wo kyeremu se orua bia wadi finsia no poli aduonum enkono 59 years ana yase wakwakofa akora ketwa wadi finsia dumienu awenga wafefe no wa ni doso wawie ho ha do dachi ni kunu pa hu na ka wotwe na chimma 59 ogofa 12 years afia ankura na ba no so di ankura na ba 12 years no hu na suntudu abeto no o kata obie mie
but adwen am se nka no kre
12
years don't mean to sintudu
afia
12 years
10 years kura nyimo
so mo yankora bone so yampani bone
enya bini
but enya kono 12 years ne bosu nkrampan
bia no honam so obu onu ma onti obu onyini yo but owo body no ana hu se bi da
omo pade afo dodo
mama
ni bi pade afo se 12 years won ka han se okoto we ma
omo sunya sintu atoi
na ura 12 years adwen me ndem na onya adwen 12 years don't mean two sintidua. Na just a papa na 12 years accurate mean two sintidua. Na wo mentally wo problem.
12 years no.
12 years on TV.
Ogu on mo honam o.
E dia honam.
Wo honam fa susu no se wo se bia wo ya akokɔ nyini.
12 years do so akora ketekete kra. 12 years. Adwen.
Akora na wo se komutwa ne mfonyi ba. Na gana ne.
12 years. Bia 12 years dear. Adifo de fo no de sese de na akora kitikiti bia na anu mi hu no 10 almost so wa 11 years so ze no onyem ne yese ne kuni a taxi driver
ebi ani
akora no nya kono ba ko ba adwen no nya kono ba ko sei
ebi awo yase ba bia
da bi akora
obi ani na ni so aboa
wedien
ebi awo na nya ohun ni se nya kono but ebi ono no de se
think to hu ntenwa de hwen enkroni we dia
no ndi o se ye ne fe wai
ani obedem ti ajeli no
jeli su di ajeli no ya chi no eti kata fe to sunsun owura yi ani asem no ka se wotwamfo nyi bi di aba aje se episuo na Green Ghana project no ya se bekoso o Green Ghana no foforo ba se Ghana ndi se afi bi ebedua ti afu wensu de ne ebedua no mu chemu se ne pompon so na kasa no onje on de beba pu e mantam ya na uhwe enwia wo mu hwe nim so mbedua we aya 600,000 enwia nko aye ba bedua achese no anya de ketwa ti eno wasem de bokata de abakata feto so aye ensia san people e wo ho ne mo kwabrado fo nsu chem se nkrofo bi na mo chiche wan kona na mo chem se wo kwabrado fo wo mama ntu hu ne mobo mani nini de anwie e de na apese wo ye no no chem se mani nini de anwie sen aduru mesumi duem de bi anye wo ba ye na me osoafo a me hwe eye sikasam tutu ye so ba na obayi me firi ho na ko fa se tekpa de ne ba ye kama me ni misumi di media ni wi akanya no ano draw nti wa mama nwia ne me so me ba te ho asa de boka ta di aba na Farouk Mahama so ana waka sai ya se wano sem no ka sai wa make case bi di ama Dr. Bawumia eye case be no ene agi se okoto eye Republic Press de boka ta no watimi apemu ensem so akenkan yankoi
ebusia ma yankoi
chama womra na ya afa ne mbere nyina
Daily Graphic da bokrata no ena bede to aso truth and accuracy every day na ani owura bi da ha se ni foni no so pa National Development Planning Commission wono so amo ba behwe omo de agya omo behwe ema aban ni project ahuduro bebra won hwe empe ho asem kan ro behwe no ma complete ni nyina na enya emwa kra emwa baako se ube kwa no abeye no wagya wotrete sa no enso aba o se ha adwen pa ECG fo nso omo de asem bebo yes wo makọ keta vaccine storage keta ba bia vaccine ye diguo se free kakraka na egum eja ehia bia kotwe ne yi bi kotwe ne ye akọ won fe ECG fo edwo maba na dru ho edi o makutrument na dru akotu twom nkanem omo so de ka ti se de kroma do bia de ka asoye bia de ka ECG fo wama kwa disconnect ya se yase enuo ni bebre essay vaccine ni bebre essay elembele ni mpatam won so yase omo sre ene won mo tete wo sre se abanhwe no ombesi one district one factory ni bi emfama wo mo we eye Daily Graphic Dobokrata
okay
yanhwe ye die ni mo na ana
yes yem fa no na fa yem fancy wona wode ba na ho ya
adwen fabra na mi
ani agana de shimama ya baye ni ya die mu fat house nyo no eno aya ahenkan newspaper da obokata no ne ya bo awramu na ensem ode abani nyina no pese wo kenkan na unyamu ntiase nyina no akwa be fontentan so www.ahenkanfmonline.com unya bo show se kukuro na ubie so pe bo sensem ni nyina no into details no kuchiri ade aguwa no kama enso ede amount na tiai o chere musa ankane aye auditor general owura domlevo ana ode nsema ode atudwai na o chere musa wose wonu ma manyoku ahodo na aja omusie sika bebredi ya campaign no wose ya hwane de mrato ho na nka sika no komu omo de ye omo campaign omo nyama ne mroso aha je wose atwa foto bi to so ya manyoku a wose ode 20,000 ana de o campaign ebroso pe ye ne amo aso ayehye ono so ade a wode aba no na owie ya no chere musa enedai emra sibadwafo sa be kwa asetena biem no omukọ a ene no mbe kire se aye asoafo foforo na nadankwa kufado abo woni mudin no yebe mo makonya amoma ba besom anase ye mo makonya mo nsom ene wasemra sibadwafo be decide ewo ho ten wasem de bokata e de aba kama enso ewo hanom na eye Child Right International for wamoso ada adwumadie bi so adi a wotem se adwumadie ne adwumadie aba beboa amaja omaika omosase na nyoma wodo bi beboa ama eye school mofra ni aka school mu no omatima hwe anyinya bi di akwa wo no mo etia no so adwumadie akoso a nei da obakata ide won sam so adi abotwetwa mfonyini bi so di aba yotimu seja motorbike ibi na jese nkrom ko school nkrase ni bi ni wei ebetima sasa mofra na do makoko school mu na sa do maba eye dwumadie mapa ebeboa paati da obakata atwa mfonyini bi di aba kama na enrada na Ghana egna okwano yane Angola ane ekonum ya den power santimantamu kuma se baba ya last sports stadium na so nyakopo si be hweye Christian atwitwa sam na wonwom ne beta ya chi na ke ya wie kura ne akwati point kwa wie ana eye semenyo na daroma wonwom ne bowra na pe atwisa me yi bo ha no kwa de wo sam hye na kunkron ye nyanyame amago baako yani ya kro no nti eno aye jam Angola kabako one man timi ante yaso ye bekọ mu kro manyakopon ya adom dadwada ane ho soso nya de keto we ye Afcon qualifiers no no mu ensem no Anka newspaper da bokata yi nyuma koi ada Roma ana won mo aso ya sene ada ne da ye de besom wo FN Cancer Company Limited ɛno ɛba ne dansie wo nneɔma nyinaa na wokɔ a wobɛnya bi ai nti sɛ bi a wopɛ ɛyɛ blocks yi bi wopɛ roofing sheet yi bi ne nyinaa no wokɔ a wo nsa bɛka mepakyɛ nadoa no deɛ wopɛ biara no wokɔ a wo nsa bɛka ba ne dansie mu deɛ a ɔmo yɛ tɔmpion ata kɔɔ na ɛkɔfa nneɔma no nyinaa na mepakyɛ akyem ɔda no mbutuo na deɛ wobɛyɛ nie frɛ ɔfrɛ nkontabudie na ne wɔnom ntwetwe nkɔmmɔ na afei nhyehyɛ biara a ɛwɔ mu dwumadie no hɔ no wɔmmɔ nkyerɛmu 0245 979 311 0245 979 311 F and Cancer Company Limited yagina tum se befu abandansie hu nneɔma a ɛnya ade ketewa koraa na sanso so na ɛyɛ Afrakuma Community Hospital asan ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Nkapuni Mantem amasa ma mepacho ho dodo wote kan ma wo enjoy ebia otipa o wo yafunu aso mu mepacho kɔpɛ ani ɛwɔ soso metima bɔmɔden na ma hwɛ kama ama no matima konkan mepacho yɛ dwadini usikasam ehihim entimi nyina pintin ama odwane nko nanim a ɛyɛ Castech Susu Ventures ana meka fo de ama na no pɛyi mepacho fanto ɛbɔ mo dia no mbeso wasene ama wudwane timi akonkan ɛde ama wo ye pa ahenka 93.3 FM yɛ kasa vidia Ghana fa na ba bia befa bia no aba fonten da romanti yetwafa hɔ tie nyoma pa na entimi emwa wa bra bɔ konkan na ɔman so konkan na to ɔman mu nsɛm na no makonanim na ukopiem ɛwɔ ɛyɛ achim asania nana ke jasi ne nkrobata na ɛwɔ no mu no wɔnom ɛbɔ adwuma pa wɔn so so aba ne danse hu ne ɔma ɔmo di twam na ɔmo dia na cement ayo ross ni bi na wohia kɔ ɔma akache na ɔmo papa ne bi nya cement bia ne cement no nkɔtɔ mfi na nana ke jasi akache a na yɛ cement no ahwa onwumra so na keki na ba ye honam no tumi say yes bibia da na kwan mu etimpa cho ne na ke jasi aye company limited so embon komo ɛwɔ 0249 654481 0249 654481 wei ani nyuma kwa wodom so ya sena ahenkan newspaper da obakata na no pay yede ebedan wo
okay me da wase bebre ma yentwa so ɛwɔ ha da obonkata mboso no ɛno ɛna atwagu sisia no afia mpofo a ɔne adwempa hene Kofi Mensa yɛda ɔmase bebre me pacho wadwenkyerɛ a wode bae no nso ma memfa bi ntoa so no yɛnkɔ yɛnanim ɛndra meka kyerɛ wo sɛ parliament ɛyade a ɛhɔ ayɛ hyehyehye paa ɛdin nti na ama hɔ ayɛ hyeɛ yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛtumi adi mu ɛnkɔmmɔ ɛnɛ na ɛwɔ sɛ nkɔmmɔ breki ɛnra na ɛnɛ nkɔmmɔ gye ɔma home but yɛse sabio wo akwada bɔne a wotu ba bi nka nti ɛno no we see a friend of Betrad ni Ajein Kraku aka Papa J or say good morning oboba ofori amanfo yɛde nyankopɔn ase ne nhyira ɛne ne bamba wɔde adom yɛn na nsuo no ɛyɛ baabi a ɛna ɛtɔ oba tema nso so a nsuo no ɛtɔ ɛwɔ tema yo yate yɛda ase bebree owie yɛ no wɔde nkrɔfo bi din aba wɔ se menkyia wɔ mo yate we nso yɛ frɛ no oyibo boaten atwoma nneribehi na ɔde ne deɛ afiri aba ɔse happy Ramadan ɛnkɔmfama yɛ nnuana mo moslemifoɔ ne aserɔm so ɔmomɔ mpayɛ ɛmfa ɛma Ghana nkyiankɔ ɛmfa ma Honorable Simon Osei Mensa Ashanti Regional Minister ɔse wɔkyea no ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so na afei yɛne owura Eric Amponsa Boaten ɔyɛ tax consultant yɛno no ɛnkɔnkɔtwetwe ɛnkɔmmɔ kakra yɛwura wote yɛnka na fam so ne ma kyɛn na bibia bɔkɔ deɛ etiefo dwun so great enti yɛhwɛ animu sɛ ɛnɛ no parliament ɛbɛ paase bill bi ɛde akɔto wɔ manim bill miɛnsa income tax amendment bill excise duty ɛna excise tax stamp yɛhwɛ animu sɛ saa bills yi nyinaa no mpanimfoɔ bɛhwɛ na ɔmo agye atum na aboa yɛn ama kwan yɛ bɛfa so a yɛbɛbɔ yɛ sikasɛm ho ban kwan yɛ bɛfa so a ka yɛdeɛ koraa no yɛbɛtumi amiamia nneɛma mu no atumi aboa yɛn wadaroma ne kwan so a no wobɛpɛ sɛ members no bɛgye atum anaa mɛma ɔmo nyi ntom
yo minia medase deɛ wɔmone sɛ wohwɛ sɛ afi sɛ wobɛka yɛhyɛ ase pɛpɛɛpɛ ne yɛde VAT ne yɛde 2.5% ɛbɛka ho anameboa wo sɛ first na VAT no yɛ 12.5%, and then we can say 15%. And the Bibi Saba, Emma Egadifo, Jumano and Koso, and Mom. It's I say, sometimes I say, what Tom dear? Okay, now what the VAT no, Eddie Atoso. Now me, Mr. Boating, me Babe Tobia. Emma at the corner. Ekosoro enti no nya dia meto na even cross I record say dem some percent meto be say 100 because ni bo no e woso no it's a VAT na woso no ama ni bo na kosoro enti dia meto be say 50 enti at the end of the day no say e get the phone no omo ejuma no enkoso na CCI Moba they introduce 3 new bills. I think there is one which is the growth and sustainability levy. And no, you will be awarded a friend of National Fiscal Stabilization Levy. Almost 5% before that is almost our net profit before tax. Oh, no more working 5%. Now we pay. We pay we answer now about the pay wo to corporate tax na kasa wo. Na eno wo homa already no companies no be kasa on say ama doing business no e wo man no no ayedin. Na mo say the another levy about the count. But what amount na levy no dey ba levy no it's expected to bring in 260 million Ghana cedis. Oh, and you know the amano abanasano so say you see no yeah and more free IMF. And you know IMF so no the almost say answer no this and one no ever man no. I was say yes to me this Chimito bi na yetumi tika yetumi agigi wo ana say toa yetumi agigi wo oman ni mu no o say yetumi emie ni na yedi bi kan oh nti no say uhwe no from that angle na bi ana ko say almost 3 years because say yetumi anji sa bills ni say antuma ya increase your revenue na loan na yeah, pay from IMF na hwia yenya. Yenya nso ye bi say wo say your budget here 2023 ye want yenya. Ni benye sika wo hina ye dia support budget na ma aban de normal e wo say oye no wetumi aye. And one side. But and say no of me can join this to say. Oh say ka me nko ade enka bills me nsa we no a on person mo de ba no me de enka minjintum the major tuma bakope na major tum that is the excise duty bill and no the on person mo ye ne say cigarette funny thing alcohol it's wine beer e free abuche ni ade de ba and no ye de to cost by 20%. Oh, and I don't know, dear. Not maybe feel that they come in buying a bayagin because cigarettes and yam what we call substances are to me my yaria and to know yapomudin eco form. Now, my dear also know. So be a poem the Ekofoma affected a Juma ye and I'm a boy. Oh, say over Kaya, Buha, your Tian so Ghana, a journalist Bia, no age more Buchi, Person Bundin, Tim Wu. Oh, even on my Muka, your Mekai Satama, Yenya COVID. Investor Mekai, one of my clients, you know, yeah, but managing director, ano one din pa COVID team. Nti no yɛayɛ de ba ɛma affect productivity. Oh, nti no deɛ ɛno deɛ many aban bɛyɛ agye because one ɛbɛma sika which is foreign currency dollar euro ne adeɛ a amanfoɔ ɛde kra saa nɔma de ba ɔman no mu no ɛbɛma aboa ma saa demand on foreign currencies no ɛso ayɛ ne ate na mpo no sɛ woka sɛ still a no wode bɛba ɔman no mu a yes ɛtoɔ no yɛ 20% na bɛka ho a ɛno nso bɛma the revenue nso ayɛ dɛn akɔ soro nti ɛno pɛ ɛne one of the bills a ɛno deɛ kamagya to mmienu na ka ho no deɛ income tax amendment bill no whereby a government seeking to look at exchange losses and after so no matter some person introduce new individual tax band which is 35% and he say we pay no extra a certain amount now over between 35% to over kaya and check the 2018 so kaya introduce individual tax bracket no Emma, me kasa wa ma among kasa then obi na juma now because the quality pay economy no o geno 35% dia oh emwa intino ye kasa wa from 1st January 2019 no mo esa omo geno mu yi eno edi free.
Okay. Make it a point in you remember na me question.
Yes. Mo say enrano so tie ya. Na MPs no. Omo e wo ho omo pese omo nyina omo pass bill that is from the government side no. Oh, because saying to me anya that means that loan na yakoti from IMF
no.
Yenya. Emma tisi anso no akwa say ye de adan so ba yen o mind for no yes ye be the business men and women no so ye ho be tene. Oh, and you know me and right fact me make say omo bisam so ki say yanji sa bills me ensano amfan tuma. Yentumi enye bibi for you betumi de revenue no increases and I'm saying there are so many things we can do. Until and I say examples of two normal or say it to me. One, and it's a buying no the expenditure was already okay so. Oh, expenses in it be our in here. Usha in here. Then no nobody me make a kind of the pono host program was joining to be some said Mr. Watson body my one example I'm talking 6 March celebration 6 March celebration here then say I was it koye no water race very good so bakaya all the hotels were booked government paid for the ministers some of the high military command, police, almost hotel, you know, if you know, look at no more moving from Accra, Ediko, the Christian Menumudiani. Meanwhile, you will my Emma, said you young choir on school, a bit cramp in your chalk and fantro, on your desk, a boy almost form. A binum, omuni classroom. Into why it's a 6 March in Momono. Young friend, she was Saturday there. A bank crown bono, presentation and now donate, let's say, church be, school be a war be a chemo die, crassy be. I don't know, and what I know anybody, and I'm a boy.
Okay, and okay.
And no, very, and no, one, two. Young share government appointees. Presidential staffers, Article 71 holders. and what they say me to Kurana BB because Article 71 holders. Everybody almost pay. For example, let's say 15,000 Ghana cedis. And Mrano says, "Oko retirement. On signing 15,000 no every month. Wabra on age maybe or 30 few. We used to attend to be a friend ex gratia. Into why say that no man can think in a young trim na tikaka cry to me a bino to know all share expenses be over in here, the young from Senia. You bet to me, and yes, Kadia support to Yankasa budget. I need to know young call World Bank, IMF. Another area, so I'm a boy in it. Ghana Revenue Authority. Omo workers in Ghana, omo officers in the omo bo or mining firm. Revenue no over here na be no mo LGB go mo ambotum ana meboa.
No correct.
Yina no ye wo man mu me kai say late president Ivan Katamel na me fa the credit. So kaya announce ko ye expose day bi ma custom officials port meboa. Bride ekoso o wonti say sa no man nyina no they are buying to me esi ano a we look at the revenue me say so my example say toll booth here ya ti saban say
Osande ba no
Osande ba yes or the bar e was say automate no or say me use na mekan wo pi monabo year pi mu e was say or the machine man say okay or the machine esi ano ama udru anye say afi no bedru na obi act ticket na or the amount wa ji sika udru wa na ba na or ba no kosoro the boy na fe udi scano
e di amount
abrochempo de nipa bi en ho eno yi udru wa bibi wo ho we has a whole kitchen we do card no ebe show so udi show na ba na ma no na uko eno no boa because at the end of the day no obi entumi tickets can be engu ni motum so no nyina wo ho a wo say yaban yetumi ye and I mean so say to me ya ebe ma yetumi 20 ade na say revenue wo say yetumi gigi wo oman mu no ya gigi ehia kra say be ko akobo botia
baby okay
for now yeah
okay inti onyi ni so say yes ne wakeka nyina eye but ye wasem ye ya na tai eka say desperate situation calls for desperate measures inti ebia baby wosisi ya ne de wose ye kokope low hanging fruit edema ye nkrofo na fe ye savage situation no omo express your opinions bi say o no mo nya adwen.
Okay, I me no me agi because akwaye say yempona ye he nim senka by March end ye benya loan from IMF. But we hear the way and no my idea. Me sure and 24th February.
Yes, you are right.
24 nyadia by March end no. And I deal with no ye critical papa. And you know say usha dia meno the mechanic for example coming kwa majino some of the taxes no mo dey ban some person mo dey background na omo enfan back no mo nko yi no mo be free mo for example sir growth and sustainability living make sure say on budget 5% of your profit before tax ebi almost this money be 2% to and I say so no for example the one on the income tax in India me no men the mechanic say I don't know there omu enyim free mu na mumu no omu putting in measures immediately bema yetumi increase your revenue for example we say we share jari for mojumo mo ye ne ade a loopholes kakra ewo ma ema yen so no ye tia tax no yetumi take advantage of such loopholes or ye tax laws no but me the maybe to me and na radios na menka the loophole na way when me to me. But as a tax consultant, me share some of your tax laws na loopholes who more to me man ko to me do income also mutua ho sika edisi. Okay, me akabako and there yenya yenim.
Okay.
There's something that we call related party transactions. Related party transactions. My example, who's an saying, Omaimu, or something group, something group. In the group, you know, if you know, bank, the bois, almost I will insurance company be a group, almost I will be, for example, more security services company. Oh, and the only say security services the same on now, but on no juma let's say bank now. Also normally bank there you have to get first customers no buy security men now because a one security company. So I was all the bank no 5 Ghana cedis for each person or didn't now if you are no 20 because or you 20 what happened is a number expenses a bank no spending on the security in which the law allows you to take that expense from your profit or from your income. And then I say the income no be 400 because why increase the fees for the security no maybe I swat add be 200. The boss to come now one so normally BBH so management and technical service fees. But not the same company no one or more offer that service to a sister company within the group. Until all these areas, you know, you lose revenue. And the main issue there is what we call transfer pricing. Transfer pricing. And saying, Jerry, a bon home modern, and say, officers no because you don't outside the country for training program. But there's a lot more.
Okay.
We will be able to get the revenue.
No.
Introduce new taxes because you see, no, I can't say, oh, my money be a taxa, and ma on my no buffer. Who you say, bra? Say, introduces a new taxes here, together with the affiliated Bavat here. Companies be a big good.
No correct.
Not companies, you know, what will happen? Workers no matter.
You be you
very good. You media one company nego ne corporate taxa. I was also try them buying. Oh yeah, because you go say you workers no to your car. Say UTB, me bo UTB the ede ko to your employee taxes, which we call the PY. And also no better and go off. And then you also come to withholdings. Maybe as a company no koto the mobile advert war in Kaya FM. No, almost 8 years in Kaya FM. Also, we told them Kutia. The boy, and the crane. Oh, I in Kaya FM. Who is a company in I walk a Kimodan, a Gua. Fire about a year
advert.
Oh, you know, these are things that we are saying. When you introduce these new taxes, you want to be a company's big. Companies big, you know, those are that, but because of IMF loan now, the Yensanka loan is so dear. Everything will come to a standstill.
Then now you failure so say Yensanka IMF sika na enunti Ghana ntimi nkon anymore.
There's something that we call recurrent expenditure. Recurrent expenditure. And no. I said day-to-day expenses are government or in care to be able to ensure that government business goes on. For example, say in your loan here at the end of the month, Ghana Army into Moka. yi mu a mo kyerɛkyerɛ adeɛ mo a mo titi yɛntumi ɛnyɛ de ntua mo ka parliament workers yɛntumi ntua mo ka the military police officers yɛntumi ntua mo ka school feeding program yɛntumi nyɛ. That means the whole economy is grinding to what? A halt. That is what it means. You know, and okay. Some of them no there. I'm going to come back. I'm going to say to me.
Who be beer?
But I'm going to be the number the banner. For the child.
Okay.
NDC for the
but you're on point. Say sanet here dia. And I just say nyansuya hwe because already no yes ye kobo bosia ye de be service and debt ni assign e de aba be consumption ni aka ho na say yes kwakwaje IMF sika na the same problem no ye baba be ya na just say ye solve problem bia but ma menye nchirimu kakra e was new taxes ya o de ebe ni edi nkan no yes say income tax excise duty na afei ni etoso no and so yeah stamp tax bi no so one day ban finally growth and sustainability awaka ho asemi wadaro ma ofan one after the other na uchirichiri mu a enchirichiri mu ne say yamfa yeni kan fa excise duty no sorry income tax ni mum.
Okay, the income tax on what they are seeking to do and he say you act 592 no, which is the SMCD 5. Now, we do our we Juma, and such a lot more important normal. There's something we call exchange losses. So, exchange losses, my mentioning because you see, no, they be another say, now what they know ever from no. Sometimes they be what are they free? Amanoni. Now, at the time I water the crop, now 1 CD to $1 US. For example, be 11 CDs. That means that each $1 be a $1 also we spend 11 CDs.
Okay.
And to say, what they what on normal movie, maybe by the time we turn normal movie no. We sign call import to Saudi and be the bar. I don't want to know. The city no. I want from I want to know about from to know. We were quite to see the year 11 you a 12 cities. Oh, and you want within the year no. By the time a year bend, now I then we lose to exchange loss. Oh, now first sir. Exchange laws ni na no aban ma ho kwan ma oti free wo income na say wo profit na you say eto na wo betua no ayeden this time no with this new law they are going to look at it every year our losses no they may not allow everything so maybe I'm going to allow from okay they are going to allow let's say 20% of it let's say one no emma businesses no omo ejuma mu ye enkoso na mum no ebema omo tia to no more because right now you allow let's say the whole exchange loss this time they are not going to allow
it.
And
okay.
The second one no which I mentioned earlier on no say PAY no won say at the moment no the highest bracket no 30%. There was 0% which is the first band and 5%. Then from 5%, no matter 10%. Then from 10%, you go to 17.5%. Then you go to 25%. Then the last bracket, as we have now here, 30%. And no, your company has 30%. No, it's too high. Why I say so? Be a because the income now, not the salary, no, what's going to know, or close to a certain level. I feel now who could 30% of this salary. This time, I'm introduce you another band, which is 35%. And you know that's for the income tax. And you know, more at the bar, the bar, as you see, any say, what we call disposable income of high income earners. almost disposable income to be in a bed and don't forget say normally almost salary high almost support almost family members and I'm
okay
almost to no more day a save with cano and sika almost save no and no normally almost save one as cano a better no more investing me either say dear obey see apartment either say obey
bond be
another bond be and I say until all these things are there the moment you increase that band one every month for disposable income so you can sometimes say or share new biba or secondary school that is jack
see the name
to me and fees because at one I buy 35% of my salary because I've gone beyond a certain threshold. And answer also maybe consumption and a man on my tumpo. Nobody will consume and I'm what way maybe a mini market me pay let's say now first between sorry every month between me be 5 and 15 now sorry because at one I mean to know me 100 no and so I man have drew 70 and the guys of me he said there mean to me and show the crowd and those are the issues the next one is the
excise duty
excise duty amendment and on a make sure say almost say almost more import to tobacco in the form of cigarettes cigarettes in cry electronic one also I say bag the other was obi number almost plug it on
yes almost my friend shisha
thank you and no yeah about the increase and wine wine and also no at one year the 20% by the count
okay
and certain forms of mineral water yeah important but and another maker say and nobody no more ARG on that one because at least Bema foreign currency I want spend it Frankra Tano ground I don't did in the background I sign or how in terms of health and I say apomuding and then the final one is the growth and sustainability levy, which not just on the Omo say in companies no. Omama specific ones. I think they have the mining, they have the oil and gas sector, and I think insurance. Omo what they're going to do is say Omo 5% of your profit before tax. 5% of your profit before tax. And when you read the bill, it's telling you that we want to me anything free or expenses more. Or say acquire we toward the amount buying, and they want to me anything free or income more, and I want to maintain as part of
expenses
we incur. And I know they straight away 5% of your net profit before tax. We also want to between National Fiscal Stabilization Levy, and also 5% of your profit before tax. So there's a one on acquire saying 10% for those
10%
specific areas like mining, oil and gas, and the other sectors. And some say we cross not some work with tax na companies no so no enya mfaso bi nso ba betia
o ya san atf mu na example sa ebro ni ti be say ye de nsem ni be she fridge mu ni atwitwa so kakra sa ne a okeka ye nyina no enye double taxation, and again enye retrogressive tax and e cost one.
You see, when you talk about retrogressive, what is really the meaning? Retrogressive, no, actually say when the person is earning more, then he or she is paying less. It is not. This one is what we call the word progressive tax, because as you earn more, no, then you are paying as high as what 35%. So you know. But
you be the answer say and share who any significant increment or public service or more akatuemu ana.
Yes, it is. Yes, very good. It is because of what government is experiencing. What was say? We use roughly, I think, about 60% to pay compensation to workers and their salaries. Yes, interest payments in ano. Enti kumo say etona ye didi ano. You tell workers you tell compensation, you tell your interest. Interest is loans na. Ya didi dida na. If you are cramping your buy way or GM. But I was say once you are in power, so tiano. About 80% of that revenue is off. What will be left? I never say, would be a road. Interdiano, or say a year road, or say a year interchange, or say a year bridge Casabia, or take loan. No. But yes, me no say agreeing. Already know people are being taxed too much, and then you are introducing another tax. You are acquire double.
Sure. Because a typical example, sorry to cut you, but a typical example, to say e-levy abey. And that e-levy say me send the amobi, menyesika na me send the amobia. And I mean fancy me yidi free me bank crampo dia bar. Before I me see you and I'm a boss, ebe to yamekano. Onu yedi wedi can't you at 4 bebre. Ansa na ekwakotom bank for no so kra wo mo charges yo mo be charge obusumi bia. We no free ho na who send this kind of free account ato mobile money wallet mu a o ma san atew o kwa koyi nso aya san atew enye as a tax no tax
now no you here no what is something else but what the year living. I think the last time I mean say when our friend me or so join you to me catch on say so the e-levy now. The main thrust of that bill, no, for those who are in the informal sector, those that are law no and capture, and I say they are not captured directly under the law. And you know, me can say, what we say, we are themselves who are in kind of me. GI officer, they know you are not your programs manager. They know you. Every month, they are or some could PY. What will be or no be a challenge to corner beam, kiosk beach, the corner beam, or repair phones and all tone. Set in a day into no, your war former sector. Yes, the end. That's a year saying, I spend this comedy, I brew a bit. That's a woman to her. I don't know, a double taxation. Oh, but the main problem is that it is difficult to separate those who are in the formal sector from those who are in the informal sector. So you be here, the way I'm designing the platform. To me, with Mr. Boateng, you'll be our formal sector, and I say, on why the Juma, and I say, we only or informal sector be any. After all, we do more informal sector, but still no, they are able to pay the tax. But do one GI for no and to capture. And my one other thing, and I'm a client. Oh, say, Usha Ghana, the tax to GDP ratio, the tax the digit. What you compare here, GDP, which is gross domestic
product.
The product. It is what 12%. It's not about the cost of is now about 12.5.
Okay.
But when you compare tax to GDP in the sub-Saharan Africa, 22%. So what it means is that Ghana for people out of about 30 million. We are about, I think, 2.5 million. So, me and no other make say, and here say, I buy a 3 new bills or the back. Because if all these people are there, now tax net, no, why don't we find them? Into the net because into the net now. There a tour now within the country. That must be so high. But I agree with you because of as I would say na based no say to me bills here on my partner young fan call chere you for na IMF for na yenya oh there so last month it was big it was a big issue when we got to the domestic debt exchange program and I was so look at more pension now been soon it is wrong. It is wrong. Last week he said, not on Tuesday, the Kogatek Sambik breakfast meeting in Walabadi Beach Hotel. Oh, and the main issue, no, you could discuss it. Oh, now who say, come out just exchange, you know. Oh, old man be or no. Also, got about the two times to ask questions, you know. And also, on no person he's on pension. And then it's called why put down control their treasury bills, and then you are the Kakato and fund, anybody or the Kakato or the Koto government bond. Or the thing you have to bond. And you know, old man, so you were asking us,
sure.
On your day.
Okay.
Because of all these.
All right. Maybe some final question. I don't know. I'm fine. Come to training fancy. And my final question would be: say one, what political parties here? What Ghana? Banusika jeje. You say yes. I was here to me raking in more money. Now yet they are running on minor. But say some of the politics. And a typical example here. Party here, wa ben musisi ya sani no mo bo mu nua no mu achi se de ye ba ye be free taxation na ya call productivity ni industrialization ni ka ho na these same people almost introduce more taxes de ba no obeka say a political dishonesty.
Okay, menati the obeka ya 2016 tama aban we ewini elections. Rebecca, 2017, and we so many amendments to the tax laws, and we some of these taxes, which that's an nuisance taxes, Rebecca. Oh, but now they've all come back. Special levy. Why do you have special levy? Now I want special import levy. Now I want ECOWAS levy. Oh, when the we import to no man would the bomb my ima. That is called here at the port. Uber Vina said at the corner over the tongue on my name. At the corner one or so one so high as well to me in your passport. Because of what? The different taxes now. Yeah, the atoso. And yes, I will also say that people sometimes make promises. They make promises in order to win political power. But when they now win the power.
Not reality, they dawn on them, man.
Look at when the COVID came. Quickly, we have brought in the COVID levy, and now make that growth and sustainability levy. The law now say it will start from 2023 and end in 2025. But I can assure you that in your approval after 2025, and then forever and ever. Just as we have the COVID levy, just as we have the national fiscal stabilization levy. So first, no.
Say Esla Cranso.
First, now national reconstruction levy. And almost Sunday, you know, but it's the same levy. And no, national fiscal, you know. Oh, and then we're introducing more and more tax. Look at VAT. Look at VAT. First, the VAT, the media idea. I am a yakka of VAT, and we say, who the VAT number? It is not what standardized. And yes, standardized. On my corner, a woman, if no woman register with VAT at all, there are some big places. I'm sure say, who could pay me near? They're supposed to give you a VAT invoice. Yeah, but who call it something hotel, something restaurant.
Ubetia.
No, and Ubetia.
I say, also no, I selective.
That is why I'm saying that it is not what standardized. It's not paid everywhere. And then the professional, we retailer, you go on the flat rate. Flat rate. You see, I know, on the law for Praba, which took effect from last year, January, which means that the sales are we are not turnover for the year. No, we are not 500,000. Or so move from the flat rate to the what standard rate. Oh, and it has affected so many retailers. One of my clients, they work on phone. If you almost complaining, and phones.
Okay.
And so it's not about tax. You have to look at what productivity.
Other avenues, and so okay. A jump on Saturday, kind of your brain I've realized you said you have a lot under your sleeves. From time to time, near Bebana, Wadaroma, Wabuayen, Abribia.
Okay, there, or don't put the answer me make to be normal fee or that, tap on, or on Papa Noye medical system, but we will.
Okay.
I say, Grandma, and to be a Wiyama. About that, me, Mao. Madam, but
one day you be facilitating waba ni atena say 101 with here.
Yes, so that we can have time.
Sure.
Lot more time now.
Sure. Yeah, that's be brave.
All right.
Okay, we be ajo so nti ani owura Eric Amponsa Boating and a kwatwetwe nkomo oye tax consultant na yene na bon nkomo bebre. Ma yentwe homra ba ye toa so e dia ma o ebre ne ko ba wo de beche yen
super some cement any superstar cement and sisi ade Messi for the contractor for nyina tuagu so e some G's enterprise and akofa sa cement mienu e dia ba entu ye Messi ni we ye contractor wo be ye project bia e super some cement any superstar cement and no necessary water and one day ni grade no e 42.5 hour and 32.5 hour na so ukoto superstar cementa and no say 32.5 n Ghana nyina and no penny cementa and 55 kilos ya chow 5 kilos free nyina Sam G's Enterprise and Uncle Fadia Bakimoda. Sam G's Enterprise etonto iron raw size baby enunti wo pe super cement and superstar cement anase iron rods ni bi etu aton no. Sam G's Enterprise ewo Akimoda Amantra Yeni Dux filling station no ene bo hwe ni mu frɛ wo mo ewo 0243 583190.
Hey, na den e ko so amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. What pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nye.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jana kire. Abofra no de o sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. Me nua, am afra no ya dachi o. Hey, BC so hwe omo mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say wa pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na the sia me ne worker say no. Woman be admission na wo mo chi mmofra no. Form 1, form 2. Konya da ho no mo se sia make say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age omo ye de say.
Ye kan kire. Ye say body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Ko bia school be ma chekire for me for so mmofra na pass ne de. Wo mo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne border from boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko say abofra ne be wie school. E school ya bia ne platform ma want admission. School fees ne crowd ye e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo de ne say wo de wani be kire mu. E only believe senior high. E di for wani kire mu wo achim ko krantum. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 0247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah,
Admission. Heritage Christian University, Iowa Amasaman Stadium Road. Na affiliated to KNUST. Where Bia Wapon Atwa Alpha Esukufuo. Anunti, Unsubetimi Ababi. Now with him, Sir Owa Wasi, HND, Diploma Top Up. And now we are mature student of 25 years, sir. Unsu Utimi apply. Yacha Marketing, Accounting, Banking and Finance, Human Resource Management, Business Information Technology Management, Information Technology, Bachelor of Theology. War Heritage Christian University. Yeah, all the business administration programs in Navy. And I was IT short courses and a media and so on. Heritage Christian University. Any the only university amuma entrepreneurship support. Your school fees are very affordable. Sounds and your hostel facilities. Fre 020-229-8399 and a 0547-777731. Heritage Christian University College, training compassionate and ethical leaders.
Say you cast Dominion Herbal Powder, immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum in the yet. Then the senti, what I did, Yaresun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina me do one dancing, and I say, me say
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear, Ninia, and yet a month for dancing, and a bacon fool. Near I yet a woman nip a duemuno, a bro madring, and a mentias, so, and my Dominion Herbal Powder, and Pau de Biara da.
As someone at the honor, Dominion Herbal Powder, and runs for you will sue share with 3 cup. Now that trick to us. Biagumu, what transit yanum, what we Angels Dominion Herbal Center, one cocoa and a diaba, a pen for a baton more monufo, and Quadawan in feeding you do one come home. Dodwafre 054 315 8195.
FDA, Aji, a Gadian Kratui, Atum.
Download the Ghana Waves app at Play Store, App Store, Neti Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Download CCA, air free. Download the Ghana Waves app at Play Store, App Store, Neti Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Download CCA, air free.
Okay, yeah, that's it. So I train yam yakotun crab by Breno call or the beche my yam fast than coma aboafu bi o madaroma anope o mabosim pia mi anya hoden a yeah, that's why I think kunye bunu so som on my Ghana and kutukuman asidane yam franchise here King of Grace Chapel Ghana seven country say what the Easter convention no at the air so Nyankopon ya adomo a April ne de toso enum ebesi ukuada dwumadi ne be hyase na yedididimu ade akowie kwasiada 9th April eninti ya no ahye ne nso achimachia se ahemfie no ho a animu ho a ena dwumadi yi ebekoso eye achiase for Christ dwumadi kese no achiase for Christ King of Grace Chapel Ghana one more branches ni nyinara eba and in Tiano Ashen and Swetifia Sem, Brofocasem say, but glory, honor, and peace to every man that works good or well. Romans chapter 2, the verse 10. And uyi sa semi e free. Akasa phobia to safra omo Reverend Bright Ofori, Evangelist Kofi Amoako, Elder Emmanuel Asante, Elder Paul Sian, Elder Michael Techi, Elder Emmanuel Champon, Elder Kwekum Nkrumah Frekas, Reverend Mercy Techi, and a prophetess Mary in Kansa. Jumedie openi sinistre so yes of opening Reverend Frank Kwesi in Kansa. F in Kansa no tai friend no me pacho wano na jumedie nyina si ne stress so achiase for Christ no yade a eba so ding Easter year enya senketwa open chirimu bi abe friend penny for 0245 979311 0245 979311 and a 0543189760 0543189760 number abe friend me pacho adumura ma no agye enso sen obehwe yenso adumre na wahwe nyina yen so Samchi Enterprise enso se men kan kire wo se eye dansie na wo pese wo si project bia wo ye ubehia cement na de dwuma ubehia iron rods enchensen na afi na doa de bosso no de Samchi Enterprise na me kanfo e de ama mantra wache junction ho no na wo behunu Samchi wo na dwuma efo no wo anim te wo abotre wo nipa ho oye main distributor ye ba no Supersem na Superstar Cement wa bini mu papa pa frɛ omo e wo 0243583190 0243583190 wo frɛ sa number na nkomo bia wo ho no omo ne wo ebedi na ye kwa wo ma no so ne akwa kodi apomuden ho nkomo kakra wode afutu amagana fo de titru mema no se apetition no ni bebre obehunu waso wanya kalabi okofa dro aphrodisiac obobone saa den a opese wanya hoden na ono oba no etimi etu kwantenten na wei enye ohawo yenko na ye ne Dr. Elijah Mensa Bonsu enkotwetwe enkomo doc debi doc ahoma na teatom yensa anya ne yemfa ne mra na fei yenkoto asa enkomo no so nti yara si ebedi apomuden ho nkoma ne de ma men kanfo Jubilee enso so emfama Jubilee Hospital abie na apunumu ato ho no mo se men kan kire wo se e free OPD edididi mu a ede eba laboratory test pharmacy na be antenatal care postnatal care theater wa for ya funu ebraso a wose wo maternity wo ho ye wo scanning machine wo ho a ye twa wo scan free tisukosu na se bia yare ne hye ye beyi apie wani ena ehawa eno so ye behwe na yatimi asan yare doc asan ba homa so doc o timi nka an kan fam suni ma che
mejo so wa hana
na bibia boko de
oso nyankropon de ate ho ye oso
great yen so nyame adom ye ho ye pa na we de afutu a wode kwama mrante ena ye pese wo chirechiri mu kakra de ma ye o kire se apetition nom ene me faduro ni manya hoden no oba ada che no eyade a etai kum emema pa wadaroma waka bibi sa nkyeremu ne sen
yo bema na mendase memfan champion property here back and tomorrow for yankasa Christ asun jin kan obia no kra ya kan bibi etsa na nkyeremu a etetri nyina yesa onipa bia wo wiase bia na open kwatenten enin nyinche ese so hunu se yo nyeme bi wa eman kwatenten ene wonye me bi wa emanyinche na enema ba ko a emma kwantenten nyinche eye se wo ka pa ensaten ensa anoten ene edura eye chemicals ya yesi yitimi oba deda eche abomu no wonsun transfer bonia anoten so far as apomden is concerned so be apomden papa saa nema ne mienu no enhia yeni padia kwa no so bi nom nsadena edamegi nipa no immune system na nipa bi afet ma ye nipa ayo immune system ma ye nipa enti nsaden no ɛyɛ strange to the immune system no asraafo na ebo nipadua no ho ban no nsaden yɛ strange to them nti wɔn nhia nsaden ɛwɔ nipadua akɔ anim na mo sɛ nsaden kɔ so a ɛdamage liver ɛna ɛdamage kidney nti ne nsaden ho nhia ɛma nipadua akɔ a even po wakoma adwene nsaden sɛɛ no nti sɛ nipa bia ɛtwe ne ho ɛfiri nsaden ho na mmom deɛ yɛgyina so aka yɛ asɛm no aba ɛkwan a yɛfa so na yɛyusu aphrodisiacs na yɛse yɛne wɔ baa de 2 hours 3 hours sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ agɛ no bɛhunu sɛ woyɛ strong man gɛ no bɛhunu sɛ woyɛ strong man ɛwɔ amenam na wobɛhunu sɛ woyɛ strong man ɛwɔ adakamenam na monyɛ asase so adentia because aphrodisiacs no ɛyɛ chemicals ɛna yɛde ayɛ saa aphrodisiacs no na saa chemicals na yɛde ayɛ saa aphrodisiacs no ɛwɔ nsunsuanso a na ɔde wɔ apɔmuden so na mo memfa wei nkyɛn mu sɛ in 17th century ɛna the goddess of Greek is the goddess of love and beauty introduce bibi a yɛfɛ no aphrodisiacs na saa aphrodisiacs but ɛne nyinaa no sɛ ɛmaa ne mɛɛmɛɛ da no ɔmɔbɔ ho adapa na ɔno n'ani agye paa ɛwɔ saa kwan no so so na introduce saa bibi yɛfɛ no aphrodisiacs ɛnɛ no abɛɛ frampan na saa rampan na abaabɛyɛ no ma obiara pɛ sɛ me ne ɔbaa da a yɛda kyɛ bɛne nsunsuansoɔ no ɛyɛ sɛ mensu saa aphrodisiacs na me ne ɔbaa da irrespective of hours a ne ɔbaa bɛda nyɛ no na ɛhia me na nsunsuansoɔ a wɔakyire no yɛ sɛ yɛfɛ bibi coronary artery na saa coronary artery no ɛna ɛprovide bibi yɛfɛ no sɛ oxygen bibi a yɛfɛ sɛ nutrients bibi a yɛfɛ sɛ blood ɛde ma akoma n'ankasa ɛde so obi resi saa aphrodisiacs no nsaden bɛka ho a ɛdamage saa coronary artery no ana arteries no ɛno nkoa ne ntini baako pa akoma ne daa no ɛdamage no ɛne sɛ ɛdamage no you can get heart attack obenya heart failure ɛno nti na abɛte sɛ yɛsɛ ɔbaa bi ɛne bɛrima bi pie wakɔ akɔwu wɔ hɔ wɔbi tetɛɛm wɔdrive cars traffic mu yɛsɛ wɔwu wɔ kaa naa mu daa coronary artery no ɛna ɛkɔ so daa heart failure daa heart attack ma obi wu all of a sudden na amɔ ne nkaeɛ ɛwɔ saa ɛkwan no so nti saa aphrodisiacs ɛne strong alcohol no ɛde tension ɛba saa akoma no so nti ma akoma no yɛ dɛ ɛbrɛ ɛwɔ saa akoma no so na ɛba kidney yɛhu sɛ kidney ɛsɔ no yɛ nneɛma bebree a yɛdie nsu a yɛnom nnuro a yɛdie nnuro a yɛnom kidney ɛsɔ no saa nneɛma no nyinaa so yɛmfa nsa wode net ɛna ade sɔne w'adeɛ wɔ fie saa net no a wokɔ yam aburo woyam akole woyam banku na wode sɔne no sɛ net no wosɔne ne nnɛ na woahohoro mu amma foforɔ ama kɛhu sɛ wɔkyena ade no a wɔsɔne no wɔkyena na wode kuma ntumi nsɔne wobɛhu sɛ ɛtaa so saa sala na kidney no ɛho nsɛm kateɛ sɛ kidney no ɛbɛbɛyɛ woyusu daa aphrodisiacs ɛne nsaden a afei ma tension ba kidney no so ɛma efi ba kidney no mu afei ma kidney na ɛsɔne nnuanennuro ahodoɔ ne awuduro ahodoɔ awudie no a ɛyɛ fi nipadua ma mmogya ne nsuo anya ahoɔden no ɛntumi nyɛ adwuma bio afei na kidney no asase efeele nti yɛ sɛ obi anya kidney failure nti mmarima na ɛnya kidney failure a lot because of ɔmo girlfriend say ɔyɛ 1 minute man ɔyɛ 1 minute man nti wagya no akɔpɛ nti ɔnwe so no afei obewu na ne girlfriend akɔ akɔfa bɛrima foforɔ nti yɛka sɛ wɔtiefoɔ nyinaa sɛ yɛntwe ho ɛmfiri ho
okay doc yɛda ase paa ne nkyerɛmu nti saa minute yɛ akɔfa baa yɛyi nyankopɔn yɛ adom a next week yɛbɛsan aba ne yɛbɛbisa sɛ average minute a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛnam ɔbaa ne bɛrima nnamu no average minute a ɛwɔ sɛ kɔ so ɛyɛ sɛn binim sɛ wobɛtumi abɔ ne tawama yɛn a yɛbrɛ ne kɔ paa Ebeje break akran so dia yemfa nkonkɔhye next week.
Any problem. Emu bi apasi enya ni bi betumi aye na sa na abo abema no nyamfo.
Okay. Any yemfa nkohye next week mom ni yenya ehwo abotre. Okay, yeah da si bebre. Ye ne Dr. Elijah Mensa Bonsu na etwetwe nkomo sisi ya no na this topic no me yes me ka average minute na kobike aye din tie. Ayi so aye din tie. Enkofo bebre Oman hene the great Oman hene wo Green Pharmacy wo mo manager no saa so na yi nsu tie ne den Eugenati Emmanuel Poku Bluetooth omo nyina ye din tie minute no na no ko interview ma bi bisa se minute dodo sen na pepesa won o boy wo se wukunu da enka enko obi se 1 hour me hweda nim din ana se madam we hear deliverance o person obi batena wo so 1 hour adwene ye adwuma obako Jubilee wani na ye wo ya ye behwe na yetimi asa ho yade e the amount diabetes na hypertension so me no ka say omobo ho adwuma den canteen e na insurance so ye gye ewo eye Jubilee Hospital yes I run ambulance service into be frame 0244 575799 and a 0241784645 and only a number of friend yetimi ajo so kama Heritage Christian College me pacho ye bia apunumu to hono mo a me no ka say yakwakoji tumi nkrata e de free Ghana Tertiary Education Commission and a Nurses and Midwifery Council eho yetimi erane course bia fa nursing and a midwifery eho adinti utie yen opese okosua nursing opese okosua midwifery so a oba yebetimi ama wo yes entity ne wo ultra modern and a well equipped skills lab ye practicals into oba practicals ne de se wo ye wo wia wo mreda nti ya no wa hye nso e de amame yes so run BBA programs options ne dos ye wo accounting marketing human resource management banking and finance and a business information technology management ye wo sa options ni nyina wo ho ne ope no na wafa abodin krata no so doso BSc Information Technology, BSc Information Security, Bachelor of Theology. Yes, I so a year professional programs. It say ICA, CIMG, CIHRM, ICM. And then yaka ho media short courses and so yeah. Ewo hono mo a ye be ma wo entrepreneurship training and a financial support. And in tiano share so one student one laptop and also terms and condition apply over hono mo sabe ka bi affordable and flexible fee structure wo ha ubetua school fees ni kakra utie mi ni wani je ho so a mpacha ubetumi aba ama saman ye wo stadium na chi hono mo a 0547 777731 0547777731 and a 0202 298399 0202 298391 oba dial star 789 star 300 hash na wato online serial number na fe wankasa wa apply ewo phone so sisi a www.hcuc.edu.gh na te say una wo krono Heritage Christian College or say a university training compassionate entrepreneurial leaders company si kura yimu ena yeguso ayeso mo afei soboti nso waba oboa yen ye boost yen immune system no ne anya ahoden e de ato ya brabo so soboti edi sa adwuma ne de amayen Alhaji Hankuri Enterprise Frimpon Enterprise Antiadwa Provision Store owoda me pacho Mary Nkroma wa chema boabo ha ya ena okọ eye nana ya Provision Store ho a obenya bi sister Vero oni snapia bano ena idi enimohwe anka na fem adwuma mu hanso ba onsa be ka soboti no bi ya no afren 0244 878763 0244878763 o fresh a number no a ye beje so kama afei Easter yi Ahenkan FM ye ko hefa manso nti wuhia wunua o se manso no aje so se Ahenkan FM ba ho manso Ahenkan FM ba ho me ba chow Easter yi ye so yenkuku ni enkaka na ye de akopiem wo manso na ne tie ni ya to ni din se Aka Fest na je se Ahenkan FM Easter Festival ye de nafua enan e de ko manso na ye de Easter na kwahye so ho no mo e de di kan a ye 7th April no ye de yenjumadi a ye die no yɛde ne nyinaa bɛkɔ Brifaland Hotel na kyɛ sɛ yakɔ akɔ mastermind afiri hɔ ɛde ato mframam ɛno ne yɛato ne din sɛ Easter Akwaba na kyɛ sɛ Akwaba Easter no yɛde kɔ akɔhyehyɛ so ɛwɔ ɛhɔ ɛnom nti free mid morning Kwabena Costi bɛba hɔ midday news no nso yɛn casters ne nyinaa wobɛhunu wɔn ɛwɔ hɔ drive time no nso so yɛde ba hɔ no mo na afei yɛwie a yɛde atoa mu saa ɛnya asɛnketewa adeɛ kyememene da a ɛyɛ 8 April yɛde clean up exercise kɛseɛ ɛna ɛhyehyɛ so yɛne nananom a ɛwɔ manso nananom yɛ too much enti yɛn ankasa yɛn papa yɛn ankasa yɛn nana yɛn bibia ɔdɛfoɔ no ankasa sintim egyina mu a ɛnya asɛnketewa wɔne na pamfoɔ ɔmo nyinaa de ɔmo ho hyɛm yɛsiesie manso kronim anopa no na afei anwummerɛ yɛde street carnival no nso ɛde ahyehyɛ so coordinator 1 ɛyɛ honorable boja honorable anopa yi mama o salute oyɛ too much yɛda ase bebree ɛne wo ho fama dwumadi a wɔde boa Sunday ɛbɛyɛ 9th April ɛno no yɛde omutuo special free Brifaland Hotel ɛde ato mframam dwumadi ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ ne dɔso yɛwie a ne yɛde pool party yɛkɔdware pool no ɛtumi pa kyɛ ɔboaboa wo ho Easter wei no yɛbɛdi amena yɛdɛ yɛnkɔ kwawu no koraa no kwan no wa afei na wokɔfa kaa kɔsi nkɔkɔɔ no asɛ no dabi bra ɛyɛ ma nso na anigye no nyinaa no ɛhɔ nom na ɛba na afei Easter Monday no yɛde dwumadi ahodoɔ bebree no ahyehyɛ so yɛbɛyɛ ne yɛfrɛ no sɛ bottle flipping ɛno no kyɛ sɛ wode bottle no si wɔ de aduane asi ho twa mu amahu dada nti yɛnsɛ brɛ wɔ ho artist night na afei yɛwie a yɛde jams na ahyehyɛ so akɔpem brɛ a wobɛbrɛ na wakɔ ofie mepakyɛw fa wo hyɛ mu ebi na emom utie yɛn na woyɛ up and coming artist ana wode woyɛ artist kura wowɔ system nim but yɛnhyɛ da nhu a mepakyɛw fa wo ntoma bɔ yɛ dea no na afei yɛmmie wo so nkyerɛ wiase yɛmmie wo so nkyerɛ wiase enti wo a wotie yɛn a wowɔ man so na woyɛ up and coming artist mepakyɛw mebɛkyerɛ wo baabi a wobɛkɔ akɔtwerɛ wo din wokɔtwerɛ wo din kɛkɛ wontua sika wokɔtwerɛ wo din kɛkɛ wontua sika wobɛkɔ Homeboy Information Center ɛno no wɔ man so Homeboy Information Center wɔ man so wokɔ hɔ no mo a wobɛtumi akɔtwerɛ wo din wobɛkɔ no na owura Simon Kluche ɔwɔ hɔ wone ne di nkɔmmɔ no atwerɛ wo din ɛne details a yɛde ato hɔ no wofolo wie no ano no saa nso na wobɛtumi akɔ Brifaland wokɔ Brifaland hɔ no nkasankasa no a Brifaland Hotel hɔ nso a wobɛtumi akɔtwerɛ wo din ɛwɔ ɛhɔ no mo a ɛbrɛ no so a na nso so waba na yɛ nyinaa ka bom ni a ɛne big Easter yi ɛne nti moma yɛ nyinaa yɛnhyia ɛwɔ ɛyɛ akyem man so free 7th ɛkɔpem on the 10th April ɛyɛ na wahyɛ ne nso ama me ma memfa mo adwenkyerɛ baako mmienu bi a mode aba ne ntoa so na afei yɛnsɔre so na nnwumadi ahodoɔ aka no nso yɛmfa ntoatoa so mfroma mo ɔfrɛ wo Emmanuel Selom Doche Doche wahwɛ yɛn fiti ɛbra a yɛhyɛ aseɛ no ɛbɛpem saa bere kyale woyɛ too much yɛda ase bebree Nyankopɔn ɔnhyira wo papaapa oyibo boate message no makan Francis Kasoa nso so message no ɔse ɔkɔle on parliament sɛ ɔmo nyai party sɛm no a ɔmo yɛ a na ɔmo de wurawura nneɛma mu no na ɔmo ɛmfa Ghana ahwehwɛ ɛnhyɛ yoyate Amisco Spelele Kasoa ɔno nso so de bi de afiri hɔ no mo de aba yɛhunu yɛda ase bebree Opadimon Felix wo de ne yɛhunu teacher Kujo Tapanyina Susu nso de ne yɛhunu Harry Salasi yɛhunu Sir John Bososo nso de ne yɛhunu ɛna Alex ɔno se yɛfrɛ me Alex doing the listening ɛwɔ Weja yɛda ase bebree Alex Sir Michael Obin Ota yɛda ase bebree nso so wo de no yɛhunu ɛwɔ ɛha no mo ayi yɛyɛ na yɛnkɔ na obraba
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens, not subjects, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Okay, and you know, I gotta go, man. 1, 2, 3. Into the metro. Let's do this, God willing, next week. Ewa heya Martin no. A free Jordan Benada Wikiada Yawada. ɛnɛ ɛyɛ fiada yɛda mo ase mo a mo send a message